Okay, so coming to the today's training session, okay. So we are going to learn about the Python from basic level, okay. So this is our government initiative. So we are celebrating this week as a training. There is a national training week. Anybody can, like if you are the training provider, means you can enroll any one of the courses. The students will be benefited without getting any money from their packet, okay. So this is all credits goes to our government only. So because of only we are sitting here at this course, okay. So in this course, when talk about this Python, okay. So Python, this is one of the leading language today, okay. So anybody, the benefit of Python is anybody can easily to learn without having any computer background knowledge, okay. Even school children also learn, even that is a IT professionalist also able to learn, even the person without having any knowledge about computer, okay. So they want to start their career for a Python programming, means this is a best language, okay. How we are going to write like a normal English language statements, no, like that only we are going to give the just create the program using Python, okay. So today we are going to learn the Python programming. Dr. Vijay going to take over the session. And then here coming to Python programming, if you want to install the software, means this software is freely available, okay. So without paying any amount, so you can download the software from internet and then install, okay. So after that you can go for a start writing the program using Python software, okay. Otherwise, there is an online Jupyter notebook is available. Okay, so if you have the any internet facility, means you make use of the online Jupyter notebooks. That is called for Google Colab. Okay, this is one of the Google product. So now the trend is for artificial intelligence, right? So most of the government agency, they can go for focusing for artificial intelligence only. Okay. So this Google Colab, this is one of the creation from a Google company. Okay, this is based on the artificial intelligence only. Okay, so today's we are going to develop Python programming using the Google Colab only. Okay, let me admit all the participants.
Okay, everyone, can you hear me?
Okay, yes. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, hello. Some people say they can't hear. The other user might end. Yeah, some of you are talking, but if you can talk, but talk softly.
Banyak.
There are still people talking.
Saya tak ambil yang wanted tu kat sebab dia cek kak. Dia suruh register. Yelah, dia suruh register yang domain dia lah.
Okay.
Gila nak kena isi.
Dear participant,
hi
please
everyone.
unmute yourself.
Dia lambat lagi. Maksudnya sampai ke Ogos.
For those participants, if you can talk, but you can talk softly. But we're going to start the session now using Python from scratch, and we got a doodle poll that we saw that a few of you are not very proficient in this particular programming. Okay. All right. Let me start a few things before we start on the programming part. Okay. Let me share my screen first. Okay. So can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Yes,
Few
sir.
things before I start. Okay. This is what we call as Google Colab, or another word we call it collaboration. Okay. Why they call it collaboration, I'll come back to you. All right, later. But this is where most people actually code their program using Google Colab. Okay, but there's some also use other software called Anaconda Navigator. I think some of you have heard about it. Okay. There's a call coming to me, but it's okay. I'll leave it. Okay. So if you look into it, this is called Anaconda Navigator. All right. You can run your Python using Jupyter Notebook or using Spider or PyCharm. But PyCharm you have to install. This all you can launch automatically. Okay. So I just can show you how to launch data. But before that, you might ask, sir, where to find this? All right. You can go to your Mr. Google. You just type Anaconda. Okay, Anaconda. Anaconda, you know lah, the big no, snake. Because we are learning Python. And they come up with a one IDE, integrated development environment. IDE stand for called Anaconda. So you can install this, but this installation means you do it in your desktop. Okay, I don't want to do it in the desktop. I want to do it in the cloud. Okay, if you want to do in the cloud, okay. So just to tell you, all these you can do it for free. No need to think about no paying money or anything. Okay. So if you type Google Colab, all of you, all of you follow me, type Google Colab. Welcome to Colab. Colab actually more towards collaborative software or notebook. Okay. So what will happen is that it'll open for you. I already opened because I have to run the class. Okay. So if you have your Google login, it will open for you. Okay. And what you do is that in your thing, you just type new notebook. Okay. And it will give you a notebook with a prompt. Okay. Let me show that. Then we, okay, can you see this is a prompt and this is where you can type your code. Okay. So I'm going to call this program. You can call whatever you want. You can go here. Okay. I can say Python Scratch. Okay. So you're learning from scratch lah. So you can say from scratch. I'm going to name that this way. Okay. So, you know, you can have so many tools there, your settings, you want to make it larger, whatever, you know, up to you. So the setting here, you want, you know, the editor, you want to have it larger fonts, or whatever, up to you. Okay. And you want to have different, I prefer, you know, a different size. Probably I think I will go smaller size and all that. Some people prefer AI binding. Okay, so you know it comes with the AI binding anyway, right? Then no, you want to have something, you know.
Form kosong satu je. Form kosong ini satu.
So you can have also something kitty also running on top, you know, to make yourself always active. Yeah. So, this is how you run your program. Okay. So
sir, I think you are muted. Yeah. Okay, sir.
So I want to know everyone what this kitty means. Well, you know, it should be some kitty. Can you see that? This is the kitty lah. Some kitty, you know, some cat will walking on top to make you, you know, feel, you know, aroused when every time you do the coding lah. Okay. If you don't like the kitty, you can go for other things lah, you know. Right. Setting here, no, probably you don't want the kitty, you want crab, you can go for crab also. Okay. So never mind. Okay, everyone, are you here? Then we can start.
Yes, we hear you, sir.
Are you in this kind of thing?
I try to search now the Colab, right? Colab.
Colab. I think you can go to the chat. Somebody have put the link.
Oh, because okay.
Sorry,
right.
Saya tengah kursus ni. Sir, Mr. Vijay.
Yeah, please. The Ramesh, yeah.
Can I use the normal Python IDLE, the one that comes with the normal when we install?
Anaconda, is it?
No. Normal Python IDLE.
Yeah, you can use normal. Okay, somebody using normal one. Okay, no problem. Okay, what happened is that you go to Python. Okay, I can just type here Python for Windows. Okay. All right. So you can see this one also. You can install this. But the problem is you have to write in a editor. It can be Kate editor or Notepad editor, and you have to save .py, and you have to go back to the prompt and you have to type Python 3, some name. But over here, you don't need to do that. You just press this button here. So Ramesh, are you okay? So if you can do that yourself, it's okay.
Sir,
Yes, sir. I can.
sir,
No
I want
problem.
I
Roslan,
want to
yeah,
ask.
Roslan.
Yeah, I search collab, but is it to be sign up or what?
Are you with the Google?
I'm with the Google.
You just go to the Google and just go in and automatically go in. Yeah.
No, when I search it, it's requiring me to sign out or sign in.
Yes.
Yeah. So sign in. Go and sign in, Roslan. Boleh? Roslan, boleh, Roslan?
Yeah, I try to sign in now. Wait.
Okay. I want to see this. Later we'll see the crap. Okay. If anyone have this page, give a thumbs up.
Python from scratch.
In the chat. Somebody still asking where to do the kitty. Okay, go tools. Okay, all want to have the kitty. Setting. Okay, you want to have crab and kitty, or I don't know what's corgi also. Okay, okay, whatever you want. Okay, you can have different level also. Some power, many power. Okay. I put this so that you alert always. Okay, everyone, are you all okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
All right. Faisal, Sukiri, okay? Nice to see you. Many people here. Don't worry. After this, all expert.
When I sign in,
yeah.
Do we need to pay for this or
Hey, no,
is it
free lah. Well, free lah. We don't put pay lah. No money one. All free. No. Python is free. Ramesh also using Python editor, free. And now
collab, right? Collab.
Yeah, okay. Let me go back again.
Sorry, I'm new to this.
Don't worry.
Sorry about that.
After that, you will be teaching everybody. Okay, let me sign out now. I sign out. Okay, I sign out. Okay. Then I press here Google Colab. Okay. Now open here. Okay. It can ask you sign in, isn't it? All of you. Okay. Sign in.
What?
So you put my
Money dulu, Ustaz.
Okay. Then of course I have to enter my password lah.
Okay. Macam mandi cepat.
Kau ni mandi ni.
Yang participant tu mute lah bodoh.
Apa mandi ni?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry for the disturbance, sir. Dear participant, please unmute yourself. If you have a question, that time unmute and then talk to doctor. Okay. So this is a humble request from our side. Please mute yourself.
Okay.
Please mute yourself. During the questions, the time you unmute and then talk.
Yeah. Sir.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, okay now, Roslan.
Yeah, I opened it. Welcome to Collab.
Yeah, that's
Google
it. Bagus.
Collab.
Okay.
Okay.
Pandai.
And then Google Drive, GitHub, upload.
Jangan. Okay, no. Okay, fine. Okay, welcome to Collab. Fine. All of you all. Okay, open notebook.
Okay.
Open notebook. Open notebook.
Open notebook.
Yes.
Open notebook. Where is it? Where is it? Open notebook. In the file.
Yeah.
Open
File,
notebook. Okay.
Open notebook.
Okay. Done.
Okay. Can I think you can go for new notebook. Sorry, new notebook in Drive. Okay, everyone.
New notebook.
Yeah, of course, myself I got a lot of notebook lah. For you, just
Yeah,
say
because
new.
you are experienced one. We are new one.
Don't. Everybody experience after this. Okay. Okay. Now you already open, all of you. Okay, na?
Yeah, open sir. Now open.
All right. Bagus. Siapa lagi? Tan, your video on lah, Tan. This video what? Okay. Samailah. It's okay. No, I can't see anything. Amri, okay, Amri. Play. Ram Kumar. Deepan Raj. Kokli Yang. Semua okay? So somebody giving thumbs up every time. Hana. Najwa. Okay. Najwa. Okay. City, okay?
Okay, sir. Dah
Okay.
login.
Okay, semua power. All right. So once you're here, you can change the name lah. You can put any name you want, your name ka, apa ka. So in my case, I put Python from scratch lah. Okay, I'm going to teach you. Okay. So let's start the very big first thing lah. So I have the code everything here, but I think I want everything I have to sign in. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna start from scratch. Okay. So first, you can type here. Okay, this here it can be code or text. Okay, so if this is code. All right, this is code. I can just press code. It'll give me another code. If I press text, it'll give me a text here. Okay, so what is text? What is code? All right. The good part of Collab here is that you can type here. All right. You put here edit. Edit here. Edit number. Edit. You can type here the start. This is a comment for Python. Later we learn. This is my first Python programming. Abis. Okay. Then you go to the next step. It'll come. All right, my English out. Okay, because I'm not from Singapore. All right, so you can put there. This is my first Python programming. Okay, so let's start the very first one. And you see how the we call it notebook because it's like your notebook lah. All the program, can you see all my program here, all stack here. All my program, all stack here. So it's like your notebook, no? Every program is inside. And how this program run, this is what we call cloud. That means whatever you type here is not running in your PC, it's running inside somewhere, nowhere, where they give you the machine, the power, everything, and run for you. And you display the output for you. Okay, and this is where the new way of coding lah, collaborative coding. Why? Because you cannot going, like universities, you cannot go and ask, oh, in order to do this research, I need to have one big computer. Then that big computer after 3 years become very small computer. So the best thing is that you just buy the computing power, the memory power, and you run everything on this kind of collaborative software. Why we call collaborative? I can share later also this program. I done this one later. Shaila, can you continue this code? So this is what we call it collaborative. All the big companies work like that. Don't worry, okay. My student all also learn 2 hours. After that, they are more expert than me. No, they are all working in big companies also. Okay. So you also one day big Miss Hunter. Next time you see me, you say hello, sir. Okay. Okay, let's start the very first one. Okay. So we start with the very first program by telling maybe welcome. datang or anything lah. Okay, I said welcome. I don't know. Welcome equals to, okay, I just say welcome to training week from CAT PHC DC, something like that. Huh? So make sure everything is okay, cosmetic. Huh? Then you already put a string. Okay, in Python, this is called a string. Anything between a two bracket string. And it is so good that, you know, when it's string means all in red. Okay, so I want to print the string. No problem. Let's say print welcome. Okay, so how to run this? Like Ramesh just now, he have to save this in .py or, you know, IP4, depend on, you know, or Python 3. But over here, you need to save anything. It's already saved in your collab. Okay, so you want to save it also can. By now, it's saved actually in your drive, in your Google Drive. Okay, so how to run? Tekan lah ini tekan ni. Okay, tekan ni. So cell already running. So it runs like it's slow lah because, you know, all of you also using welcome to training week from CAT PHC. Okay, so this is just to display only. Okay, the very first program, all okay? Nisantini, okay? Lisa, okay? Nice lah, calling your name.
Okay, sir, okay.
All
Only
right,
my one looks macam error lah. I think something wrong with my.
What
Single
error is that? What error is that?
error also. Invalid syntax.
How to? Can they share their screen? Maybe I'll just show one person.
Just one question, sir.
Yeah. Who's
On
the
N
line?
here? N.
Yes, N.
Here, you put number 1 and 2. Is that something that it's auto-generated or?
Yeah, it's auto-generated in Collab. Yes.
Oh, okay. Because I don't see number 1 when I start typing like welcome. I don't see the
You are
number.
in this environment, huh? Okay, let me see the
tools. Same. Me
okay,
also.
Let me see editor.
Must remove the number, sir.
Okay, show line number, everyone. Editor, go to settings. Okay, let me tissue. Okay, yeah. Okay, can you see tools? Setting. Editor.
Editor.
Then show line number.
Show line number. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Save, right?
Save. Pandai.
Okay. Can.
Okay. Stephanie Chia.
Okay, now it show.
Okay, very
but
good.
It's still
error.
Error from my side. Okay, I got it. Why?
Okay. You can know the thing yourself. Very good.
Sir, why the sentence have to have the double apostrophe?
Okay, in Python, if you put in string, you need to put in this form. Okay, if that's a good question. If I say distance, need to be correct lah. KLIA, 255 kilometers lah. Okay, then I put print distance. You can put in this way. And okay, let's display this first. Then later I'll tell you the other one. Okay, when you run this, I don't need a in this form. This can be an integer, can be a real number, or can be also we call string. Why you call string? If I put in this form, it is string. Okay, it is a term with 255, a string that actually state 255. But this is not a string. You are telling a distance to Kuala Lumpur. Okay. All right.
Okay, my one is already okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. We waited for you. Okay. So now you understand. This is a string. Any word, numbers included. Okay. So I can put here also the date. Today, 28 June 2024. Doesn't matter anything. In Python, they call it in a proper term is called list. That means you can take one by one these values. I can put here one small word like that. No. Print. Okay, let me put this. Tabas kila. Kacau sana. Go here and there lah. Times I also forget we are doing so many programming. Okay, never mind. I put here 5. Okay. Okay, what does it mean? This number M. Okay, I say welcome to training week from CAD brother. But when I say welcome 5 is M. Can anyone answer me? Why is that?
It's the 5th character.
Yes, pandai, bagus.
But what mean the fifth character means?
So it starts from 0. It starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So it mean M lah, number 5 character. Okay.
So the character when I say string means it's just like if you done C programming, it's a character array. So but in C got the null pointer, all that. So in Python we get rid of all that lah. Susah. So make it life easy. So understand lah? So okay lah. Okay. All okay. Nurul okay. Right.
Sir. How do you know, like you have either you have to put bracket or you have to put the straight bracket?
Macam mana?
Yes, I also want to ask that.
Which bracket? This one?
No,
that bracket. Whatever the whole bracket. When should we use the curvy bracket versus the straight bracket?
Okay, pandai. Okay, this one here is a syntax to print out your statement on top. Okay, so it is a in this statement, print statement must have a curly bracket. But when you come to handling an array, that means I want to take an element of welcome. Okay, which element you want? I want element 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I want like element number 11. So when you handle with array, you need to have a square bracket. Okay, so handling with array must have a square bracket.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Ramesh.
Yeah.
So I think just now she was asking about when we will use tuple and list, if I'm not mistaken.
Tuple and list. Yeah. So this is actually a string is here list. Okay. We have tuple, we have dictionary. There are different data types in Python, but I'm not going to go on that part. I think it's preferably if they are, you can able to understand on the selection, on the loops. I think it'd be very nice. Okay. That one maybe at the last part of time I'll go inside that on data types.
Sorry, sir. I'll just add on a little bit as in this one. Okay,
yeah.
Somebody asked for list and tuples. The list.
Dr. Jagdev, we can't hear you.
Can be fixed. So like static values, we use tuple, right? When we are using the editable values, then we use list. Later we'll cover that part as I said just now.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
We go on the tuple dictionary and all that when we go at the end. Okay. Okay. That is actually on a larger data type. Let's work on this string, float number, integer number. Then we do some nice exercise. Okay. Boleh. Ramesh, is it okay?
Yes, sir. No problem. Sure, sure.
Okay. All right. Now, it's very static. Now you want to have some user to give you some value. Then only nice, isn't it? Okay. So we go to the next program. Okay. Go next program now. Okay. How to go next program? Press here. Tekan code. Boleh?
Main apa?
All right. So now I want to get some input lah.
Sebab itu modular untuk orang kampung.
Get number. Input is enter a value. Okay. Right. Then input, I put that float. Input float equals to float get number. Okay. Then I print. Okay. Input F. Okay. Oh, FL. Okay. Okay. Let me run this first, then at least we can know like it's working or not. Okay. Enter a value. So I just say 3.5. So this one can take float value. Okay, give you 3.5. Okay, now I'll tell you something. You can also make it better, like a good prompt. Okay. Enter a value. Now, if I run the thing, a good prompt. Enter a value. Okay. Or enter. Okay. Then, if you let me go back to all these things, and print. Okay, you can say. Put here 3, 2. Let me run again. 3.4. Okay. So this is how you improvise your program. Let me go through this a few minutes with you. Okay. All right. This is how you ask a user to enter a value. Okay. This is what we call a prompt. This one is called a prompt. That means you cannot simply just say input with empty. If I write another code here, if I go here, I can write, very, okay. I just say in A equals to input. Okay. Then I say print. Right, I can do that. Okay. But when I type this, so there's not defined. Yeah. Mistake, there's a mistake there. Yeah. So what I have to input here? There's no prompt. Okay, there's no prompt. Okay, for then it gives me 4. So when it comes to coding, later we'll do nice codes. You need to actually prompt the user. Okay, so input, enter a value, or if you really insist it's an integer, then put there, please enter integer value. Then what happened here is what we call it as casting. Okay, in Python, all the program you learn, probably you have learned GW Basic, you might learn Fortran, I don't know what other programs you learn in your life. See, there's always a declaration and initialization. Integer is A, integer A, B, integer something. But in Python, they make it life so easy. Whatever that user input is called string. So whatever user input is string. So whatever user input 3.4 becomes string. Get number is a string. Okay. And input F1 is this float is what we call, we call the term called casting. That means I'm going to change you to string to float. This is what we call casting. Okay, so this get number used to be, right? I can write comments. Get number is a string. Okay. float. Oh, this is how you write it. Comments, huh? Float is a casting procedure. Okay, which change get number to float input FL. Then I can display it. The number entered is input F1. Okay. Now, I want to ask you to do a small exercise too. Okay. So we start exercise lah. Bagus. Okay. How to take two float number and add them together. So you should do a program, input two values. Okay. Put two values. And they are float values lah. And just say one is AF, another one is BF. So it should be CF equals to AF plus BF. Okay. This is what you have to do. So how you do that? Okay, all the code we do here, guys, are not more than 20 lines lah, so that everybody understand. Okay, so far, can you all do in 2 minutes? The best part is that you can do copy paste also.
Sir, okay, when you number 3 too, when you print too, I forgot to add the comma. Why do you have to add a comma?
Okay, the comma, pandai. Okay, the comma here is saying that this is my string section, telling that this is the string section which actually are telling people the number entered. But the comma will tell that, okay, I will add also another part, which is the float part. So the best part of Python, this is what we call a string concatenation. This is your string part, and with comma means it will add up also your float part. So the number is entered, the number entered is 3.4. So number entered, comma, you have to go for another one value. Okay. You also can do extra. Okay. You can say, is it okay? All right. So you run like that. Oh, sorry, it's a mistake. A comma, right? So if I run this, so 3.4. Okay, can you see that? Entered, the number entered is, oh, wait. Now I had to add, this is not string, no, this is a float. So I put comma in between. Please add the float number. Then, okay, is it okay? This is also a string. So a string concatenate, combine. Concatenate means combine. Combine with input float number. Then again, I add a string. All right. So this is how in Python, very easy. In C also can do, but I have to do plus la, this la, that la. Okay. There's also a lot of formatting also you can do also. Later we'll teach more.
And then cancel. Kan bila you let's say you letak the get num or the input F1 tu, I forgot to tekan the space. So why do you have to put the space?
This one, here.
The space, because I forgot to put the space and then suddenly invalid syntax.
Is it this space, is it?
Whichever, because I just type without spacing.
Normally, I'm not sure in Python, spacing only for indentation is important. But let me see in collab, it works. Actually, the white space is not important here lah. But normally we do it down for readability, so nampak cantik sikit, orang boleh baca. Okay, so okay, everyone okay now? Firzani, okay? Lisa, okay? Chinseng, okay? Mai, okay? Sisi Tang, Henry Cha, all okay? Only at some more. Azrina is here.
They're all okay, sir. But they
all okay, okay. So we got a class rep saying everything okay. Alright, bagus. Okay, ini dapat ni. Latihan-latihan.
Saya ada buat yang ni, sir, yang last ni. Tapi ada error jugalah. But I will try later lah.
Okay, the man. How to do this? Okay, the best part is that you can copy, Control C. Tak saja, tak apa. Kita copy paste, tak apa, tak salah. Okay, enter. You can put here, get number 1. Okay, please enter first value. That lah. Okay. Then I say AF, isn't it? Oh, so get num 01. Be careful on this. This good thing is that in collab you will tell you lah, hey, you make mistake lah, you know. Oh, okay, all right. Oh, since Microsoft taught us how to copy paste, very good. So now saja. So this is my second number. Okay. Then my BF, I told you that. Second number. And like can you see now somebody is telling me something no. This is what the AI part. Okay, the AI part. I don't need to code no. Somebody is suggesting, do you want to do this? So I just press the tab. Okay, it do for you. All right. This is the some of the AI elements lah. Okay, so sum of two numbers is so this is how your coding will look like. Okay, just to add to you lah. Okay, again, you want to write a new code, press here, code. Okay, done. Okay, can you see generate with AI? Can you see start coding or generate with AI? Actually, you can now in Google, you can say add to integer. You type like that now. It's not a good thing lah. Everything also we copy and paste. This one also we copy a program also. Now like that lah. Add two integers. You press enter. Wait, under generate. Generate. You go. You type lah. Oh, you have to upgrade. All right. Okay. I mean, the other one I have. They do have it. So how to generate? Okay. Add. So it will give you the whole program for you. Okay, can you see that, guys? All of you? So now, you know, most of the program, you know, you can, you know, it's actually a chat GPT. You know, this Google have another, not another version lah. They, you know, chat GPT is one company. You know, Google thought, how come we lose in this thing? So they come up with Gemini. So this is a Gemini's chat GPT. So you type only, the flow will give you a code lah for you. Okay, but not everything can lah. Okay.
Is this something that when we open it, it will suggest, or we have to do something to get the AI recommendation?
See, under the chat GPT, you have to do the prompt. It's called prompt engineering. Prompt. So the prompt is how you do the prompt right. Okay.
Okay.
So again,
but this one is for pro version, is it?
In Collab, the version is always updated. If you're using, as you said, using some of the installation desktop, of course, you must have the latest version. Correct.
No. I mean, there's a try version, or this is a.
No. This is a free version you can do also.
I see.
This one here, I'm using. I'm actually logging with the free version. Okay, can you all go? Okay, I just want to tell you lah. Can you all go generate? Everyone press generate. Add free integers, or you can say multiply also two integers, up to you. You try and see. Okay. Then you see the flat thinking already. All right. And it give you a program for that. Okay. So small program can la, big cannot la. Okay. So but it tells you how now things are. Means all the codes are ready made now. Okay, of course they are now going to the big level now. To a point now, all the software engineers all started scratching their head lah. Okay, but it going to take some time because most of the solution I see in the industry are very tailor made. Okay, so it's not easy lah. Not like adding two numbers and all that. Okay, this one just to show you in collab what lah. Okay, come on, kita tepi sikit. Okay, this one done by AI. Okay, I put that not my one, done by AI. Done by AI. Okay, let's do another code. Okay, now the problem is this is what we call a top down. It is a straight down. No movement. Like somebody asked you a question. What happened? Like that means. Okay. So this one here, everyone can do, guys. Get a number. I never run the code. Sorry. Okay. If I say 45, another one is 20, should get me 65. Okay, answer correct. Can you see our code very small, 6 lines only. This one 3 code. Can you see long, very long? But the flat took a cue from me, very smart, The flat take from me, put all the number, smart fella. So this is AI. Learn. This is called generative AI. Whatever that learn from your user to create some codes. Okay, we're gonna learn about if and else. Okay, selections. Selections. Okay, a few examples complete.
Hello.
Later we'll do lah. One by one. Cannot be doing everything one time. Okay, now I go to selections. Okay? I'll go one by one lah. I go very short programs base so that in this way everybody able to understand. Okay. Okay. Until everyone okay, yeah? So this one just to show you it is you can generate your own code. Okay. All right, let's do a small program. Okay, again, I will get number. We can use the same program here. If you want to make life easy, I will just copy and paste here. So I'm getting 2 numbers. Okay. But now I'm going to teach you about if selection. If A greater than, or probably I just do one number. Or let me do a real life case. Okay, I go marks. Enter your marks. Okay, this one like exam lah. Enter your marks. Please enter your marks. 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 Of course, your marks can be any number. 70.5. All smart student. Get number. Okay. If your marks greater than 80, print to God an A. Congrats. Habis. Okay, program set. 4 line saja. Okay, I'll go through this very slowly. So in Python, any programming in the world, you learn about simple data type first. You learn about all these selections, the loops, enough lah. Then defining functions. Okay, I think you learn enough.
Sir. Kenapa space dekat print tu?
Nanti saya datang. Ini penting. Ini we call it indentation. Okay, because somebody asked smart question. Why space? Always I make mistake here. Why space? Before print. This is called indentation, which is the best part of Python. Okay. You see, all the program you do before, basics dia guna apa? Begin, end dalam if loop. If you use Python, if you use Java or C, you're going to use a curly bracket like this. Semua dah belajar dekat sekolah kan? Sekolah pun ajar ini. Remember this? Okay, they might use this for C programming, or they use begin and end for basics. Okay, but in Python, they get rid of that. Okay, they don't want this at all. Okay, let me run the program. Always I like to run because I want to see there's no mistakes lah. Okay, so if I put 90 lah, oh, that's a mistake. Okay. This is not A, this is marks. Okay. Separate. Got a mistake. So let's run again. 90. Okay, congrats, you got an A. Okay, let me go back here. All right. I don't know what is this, but I might. Again, the very first part, you prompt the user, please enter your marks. I'm asking the user, enter your marks. And the marks entered here is a string. And the string is changed. Remember previously I said, so float is a casting procedure which changed the get num string form to float. Okay, which is here input float. In this case here, get number string change to float. Your marks now is float. Okay. If marks is greater than 80, you got an A. Okay. Congrats. So my one is 80 lah. So if I put here 70, yeah, okay. Now the thing is that there are two things when it comes to selection. Two important things. You have to know. Number one is the colon operator. Okay. Number one is the colon operator. So if you look into this, the colon operator here tells the begin of this if statement. If greater than 80, I will print this. Else, I don't print anything. So this space here tells the body of your if statement. Okay. All right. Now, what happened that if you never get above 80, you don't have it here. So I copy here again. Put it like that. Okay. Now I will put an else statement. Okay. When it comes to else statement, press backspace. You put else, it will come back a purple color. Again, colon, When you press enter, automatically go to one step space. That means it tells you this is what you print at the else part. Okay, so you put here print, you miss the A. Don't worry, enjoy life. Okay. All right. You press this again. Okay, I think always when you put 0, 1, expecting another number to come. Again, enter this. Okay, I put here 75. Okay, you miss the A. Don't worry, enjoy life. Okay, so now in any case, I have something a display. Okay, so if marks is greater than 80, you got an A, congrats. Else you miss the A, don't worry, enjoy life. So this is what will happen in this 6-line program. First, prompt you, hey, give me your marks. Second, will ask you, will actually convert the marks you enter to a float. If marks is greater than 80, then you'll tell you got an A, else you will tell you that you missed the A. It just tells you, asking that to make sure that, you know, I only will print you got an A if this fellow is above 80. Else, you'll just miss the A and you just enjoy yourself. Okay, just say, you know, you want to write marking system lah. You know, marking system.
Sir, I have one question, sir. Sorry, a bit confusion. Dekat value tu letak dash jauh kan, and dekat marks tu letak dekat. Is it okay?
Where which dash?
Different.
Which one?
Dekat value, second value. Please enter second value. You have two dash.
Are you where you are?
There. The
where are
dash
you?
from
Oh, tak dengar.
Mark tu
Breaking. Okay, where are you telling this program? Which program you're telling? Oh, I miss him lah. Wait. Let him come back again. Wait for him.
At the last program.
Yeah. Still breaking. Can we wait for him? Yeah, last program here. Yes, Roslan. I tunggu sama sampai kamu balik. I'm not hearing you actually. I'm not sure the others, they can hear him. Aduh, mana pergi Roslan ni?
Cannot hear.
Roslan gone already. Is he there? Roslan?
Line tak okay, sir. Sini hujan lebat.
Oh, hujan ke? Mana ni tempat ni hujan? Okay, your question was the last part here. Which one? You can type also if you want. I can look into the thing. Okay, so everyone, if statement all okay?
Yes, sir. Okay. So far, so good.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
What happen if we don't put space on the print after if or else?
It'll give an error.
Oh,
because okay, all right. I can type everything. You know, this is the body of within. If this selection comes in, that means, you know, this is what we call it a binary statement. You know, the term binary statement means if marks is greater than 80, true or false. If you type 90, true, then it print this. Okay. So let me go back again. I type this. Okay, I want to type 85. So when I type 85, before I type enter, okay, this value will be changed to float value and name it as marks. And marks here will be tested whether it's greater than 80 or not. So this is what we call a binary statement. Binary statement means when 85 is greater than 80 or not. Is it true or false? It is true. If it's true, it will do this statement. If it false, it will do this statement. Okay. The question comes if I don't put the space, so it will give you an error lah. Okay, now okay lah, it worked. But when I run this now, it'll give an error. Okay, so it tells you indentation. Remember the word I put there? Indentation error. So you need to put a space. And the best part of this space here, I can write print. Other one, you are a smart student. Okay. Then over here, you can still write print, try harder. Okay. Now press this. So again, I got 79. Okay. You missed the A. Don't worry. Enjoy life. Try harder. Okay. The question comes. Sir, what happened? I get 80. Ngam 80. You missed the A. Try harder. How come, sir? 80 were okay, what? But the way I put the binary condition here was greater than 80. And how to include 80, guys? Anyone can suggest me? Can you give me? Equal,
kan? Letak equal.
Pandai. Letak habis settle. Okay. So if I run this one software bugs lah. Software bugs. Everywhere can create software bugs. You know, in UK, there's a post office problem, no? The post office, they have this claim problem. All right. Fujitsu did the software. Then all the sub post office master says, hey, got some claim problem. Then they say, no, it's not a claim problem. You guys cheating money, taking money. Then few of them went to jail. But at the end of the day, later, after 10 years, now they know it's a software glitch. Okay, so everybody can create software problem. So you have to run, validate. So now I put 80. Okay, I got my A line. All right. So this is how we work on different types of what do you call binary conditions. Okay. Okay, I want to ask you, just say, okay, I give you one problem lah. Before I give you that problem, I will teach you if, else, if. Okay, the stack. If, else, if.
இதெல்லாம் உனக்கு புரிய மாட்டேங்குது வாய் மட்டும் அந்த ஆட்டம் ஆடுற
Somebody scolding us. Okay, Naman. Okay. All right. Back to our thing. We already at 1 hour mark. Anyone need a break? Before I give a break, I'll teach you this one thing lah. Okay, teach you this thing. Before all the mothers get stressed up, let me teach this thing. Okay. All right, let's go to another code. Okay, before we go to the last part of the selection, everyone okay or not? Sue, are you okay? Zulita, okay? Para?
Okay.
Okay. Good. All right, Simon, pandai na. So anybody said that I don't
Sir,
know.
Mr.
Yeah. Who's that?
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yeah,
sir,
your name?
Ramesh.
Ramesh, okay, Ramesh. Okay.
Sir, sometimes when I go through the code, I see sometimes they will use single quote, sometimes they will use double quote.
Yeah. Okay, Ramesh, very simple. In Python, it doesn't differentiate. But in C programming, it differentiates. Single quote means character. Double quote means string. In Python, they make life very easy. Both also string. Okay? Okay, Ramesh?
Okay, understood, sir.
Okay.
Both also string. Okay.
Okay. Let's do the next program with single quote lah. And you can see, believe me. Okay, get now. All can start. Okay, only 10 lines. I always tell you, my program very short one lah. And your marks. Okay. Oh, the letter is correcting you, what? Making mistakes. Like, mark. Okay. You can also change your values. So, the what you represent. Load. Yeah. Hey, you can put any variable here. You can put your name. You can put Farah here, or you can put you know what do you call A also here. The variable name have depends on how, you know, a good programmer will represent it in a way that easy for them to understand. You don't need to follow me. Okay. If mark greater than 80, I put greater or equals to 80, then print again a single quote. God, I just told you, there's no difference. God, A. To make it simple, else, okay, you have to have a space. Sorry, you have to have a space. I told you one. Okay. Single space is okay. Okay, I put here else if.
Sir, on the if statement, do you not need a colon?
Need a colon. Yeah, smart. Okay. Elif, elif. Elif, okay. You failed. I just put something lah. Else, put something wrong number lah. Huh?
Is it? Baju tak bawa baju. Baju pada terpaksa.
Sir, float tu is just for numbers with decimal
For float with decimal. You want to do integer means can. You just put here integer.
Terus balik tau. Nanti balik.
Okay. But normally you put float lah, because sometimes ada perpuluhan kan. 7.75.5 and all that lah. Okay. I think I just put that 50 pass lah.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yeah, please.
Ramesh again, sir. Sir,
Yeah,
when we will use double and when we will use float?
Okay. You can use double also. Double here. No, they don't have double in Python. In C you have double. Here they call it double float actually. In the case of float, it is 8 floating point representation. 8 to 16 depend on your, if you have a 64-bit, it's a 16. Double means it's a 32-bit representation. So if you use the IEEE format of floating point representation, that means it can have so many decimal points for double. You know, it's like, you know, why people use double in some, you know, just say you want to do a 3D graphics or what, you want to really to be very accurate, you do double. But now we're doing a very simple coding. So I think a float of 8 bytes or 16, sorry, 8 bits or 16 bits is good enough to do the coding. So float, double, same. They are all real numbers, but it's a representation where how much decimal point you want to represent. Double means it means double float, double the size of accuracy of float. That's it. Okay. Who asked this now? Ramesh, wasn't that? Ramesh.
Yes. Okay, understood, sir.
In C, they have it lah. In in Python, people say everything, whatever float means no, the high accuracy. Okay, else means I say fail. Fail. Okay. Let me see if it works or not.
So one small request, can you make your screen a little bigger, or maybe the page a bit, zoom in?
Oh, you want the lines to the numbers to be bigger?
Yes, hardly can see, very small.
Oh, you wait, make it is it okay bigger? Or shall I go bigger? You mean the number, the numbers there, the characters all, huh? The text there. Correct?
Yeah, the text. Make it maybe 24.
The thing, the setting, okay. This one maybe okay lah, huh?
Okay, good, very good.
Okay, all of you going to the training here. Okay, this is, we have selection. We got 3 types. One is if else, if, but you know, in Python they make it short. They call it elif. Okay, it's else, if, else. Okay, and of course they have the switch statement, which we don't go through here lah, because it is a special case lah. Normally we use for OS coding and so on. Okay. Okay, you type this and you run. Let me run and see lah before I got some error. I put here maybe 75. You pass. That's the robustness of your code lah. 45 fail. So whatever it is still bound. But somebody might say lah, I cannot lah, sir. I test 101 no. 101. IOI, 101. You got an A. How come lah, sir? It's not lousy lah, this program. Got bug lah. Okay. Then if I put -1 also, it works last. You fail. So that one you can improvise. Okay, let's go and see how to improvise that. You tell me how to improvise. Okay. We reach 1.5 hour mark. Siapa mau break ni? 5 minit, 2 minit. Oh, break. 2 minutes. Kalau tak clock, senang sikit.
Break, sir, break.
Okay.
5 minit lah, 5 minit boleh.
Okay, 5 minit. Kalau okay, before that break, bagi exercise sikit how to make sure marks between 0 to 100. Okay, how? Okay, I want to get A, pass, fail, but make sure marks is between 0 to 100. So you can have it on top or below or whatever lah. So there are many ways of doing it, but how? So you can think of that. This is your next coding lah. Code. All right. So this you can bring your code down here lah. Because I'm asking the question. Right. After this, we do a bit of array. Okay, I will. After this, I'll go on loops, very simple loops, and define a function. Then I want to go a bit on something nice lah. How to do an array, how to display graphs. Okay, the packages and all that lah. Make you a bit. But this is very important. No, at the end of the day, what do I call it? These are the main part of any coding. Okay, if you know all this, you can do a good, nice codes there. Okay. Just one line may do. Can be in one if statement with another if large if. Okay, but we will do that, right? Okay, sekarang pukul 3.20. 3.25 masuk, boleh? Satu orang. 4 minit cukup lah, 4 minit. Minum
Boleh,
kopi
sir, boleh, boleh.
4 minit boleh ya?
Boleh.
So, Miss Radha, we take 4 minutes break. We run about 1.5 hours.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so probably we'll go another 1 hour, or 1.5, or maybe 2 hours.
Okay, sir.
Because the team are very excited with the cats and the crab, on top. Okay. I'll join you, guys.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Ms. Radha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Hi. Hi, sir. How are you? Are you there having break?
Break, sir. 10 minutes break.
10 minutes break, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I talk after the break or what should I do?
Can, sir. Can as well.
Because I'm outside now, traveling actually.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, but never mind. I think can talk as well.
Okay, sir.
Maybe because after that I'm worried again. I'll be occupied, and then if let's say we cannot give talk, also not nice. At least we give some intro, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. So I think the session is going well, but later as we discussed, those who are not able to join on the second one, we'll also let them know.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay. Okay, Ms. Radha, you just WhatsApp me once you want me to talk, then I will come in. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, thanks. Okay.
Thanks.
Sorry, how to pronounce Mr. Vijan? Vijan, is it? How to pronounce his name?
Come again?
How do you pronounce his name? Mr. Vijan? Vijan? Mr. Vijan, is it? Vijan,
Ujen.
is it?
Ujen.
Vijan, Vijan.
Yeah.
Mr.
N is
Vijan.
silent.
Okay.
N is silent.
Oh.
Ujen.
Oh, the professor. Yeah. Hi. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello.
Miss Radha. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr.
How
Roslan.
about the attendance? Attendant?
Sure. Thanks.
Okay, everybody eagerly to
Don't be nervous, huh?
attendance. Okay, if I share the attendance
Yeah,
means
you look so nervous right
everybody
now.
definitely you leave from the meeting. Okay, at the end of the session, I will share the attendance link. Any question?
Yeah, everything is good actually. Yeah.
Okay. No worry about the attendance. We are always monitoring who are that present. No worry.
No, we will give them the certificate upon exam of 10 hours.
Doctor.
3 hours class and 10 hours exam. Huh? Don't worry, you all will get certificate. And then we will also continue further for those who are interested to pursue further. We'll also give them the training.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I'm the exco.
Okay.
I'm the treasurer.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir, can.
Okay.
Okay.
We
Dr.
continue now.
Ujjain, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, so Dr. Jagdi wants to deliver a small speech about the student. Can you allow?
Okay. Please.
Okay.
Dr. Jagdi,
Thank
the
you.
floor is yours.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Yes.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Okay, fine. Please carry on, sir.
Hi. Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Sorry, I supposed to address all of you earlier, but I'm very sorry because I was a bit occupied today and right now also I'm traveling. Okay. My full name is Dr. Jagdeep Singh Garewal. I'm the founder as well as CEO for the CITYLABS CAT Training Center. And today, our very respected Associate Professor, Dr. Vijay, he is conducting the class. And he was more than me enthusiastic to teach Python from scratch to everyone. And he is a full-time Associate Professor at UTP, but he is love towards the Python and the relationship with us. He wanted to deliver the lecture himself. So I'm from the bottom of my heart, I'm thankful to him, first of all. And secondly, I'm thankful to all the people, those who are coming here to learn the Python. And we would promise you that whatever knowledge we have, we would share the entire knowledge with all of you. And not only this is the limited 3 hours journey, which we are going to have together. Those who are interested will continue. We'll continue further if you want to learn further Python. So under CITYLABS, we have been training from last almost 15 years now. We have done a number of projects, and my first project, which we started under CITYLABS, was Train and Place. That was graduate employability program, which we did for Java. Then we did Asset. Then we did a lot of other programs. And always we are dedicated towards training people and as well as placing. And I would humbly request everyone, those who are not working, those who are looking for a job, they can also later, Ms. Radha will share with you a Google form. You can register those who are looking for a job. We have a number of employees together with us, those who are seeking the candidates, those who are having this kind of knowledge set. We can also help you for getting the placement, right? And there will be no charges for it or whatever. That is just we would like to help because we are doing this means from a number of years, and we will continue to do that. Okay. And I wish and pray everybody will get satisfied today with all the ambition what they come here and join to get the training. They will get that. And those who are willing to go to the next step, they will be together with us and will continue. We have other trainings for AI. Some of you have joined for the Python only. Later, we'll share with you guys also. Those who are interested in other trainings also, you can join. And maybe I think today is a very big group. We have 225 and many couldn't join. Actually, I think if I'm not mistaken, almost rather we have for these two courses itself, we have around 700 to 800 candidates.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right. So that's why we are distributing them into different groups, and we will be continuing with them on the other days, other dates, right? And our ambition is to make sure each and every person who has come to our doorstep must learn something and go, right? We don't want anybody to return without knowledge. We will try our best. And please feel free if you have any questions, anything you want to ask, right? Don't feel shy. So I'm very sure that, okay, our respected teacher here, right? Associate Professor Dr. Vijay, he has a vast knowledge, not only in the field of teaching, but also in the corporate projects. Last time he was also delivering, excuse me, I was delivering I think for engineers at Coherent, Malaysia. Last year, we trained almost 200 packs on data analytics. And he's also part of Data Rush project for the government and a lot of other projects at NCIA and other he's doing. So I think we have a good chance today to learn from such an elite professor. And again, I won't take much of your time. Thank you very much once again, and keep in touch. You have all our numbers, and those who are not able to join today, and those who have to, some of them send me messages as well, sir. I may not be able to continue the entire course. They might be halfway leaving, then we'll be joining back. We will
No, I think from my side, I can see the full screen.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much,
Full
everybody.
screen. Yeah,
Okay.
not the presenter. Yeah, full screen.
Okay. Okay. Great day.
Thank you very much.
So we'll catch up again. Okay. I pass back to our professor. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Okay. And we continue training. Okay. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Can.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me share my screen. Okay, maybe.
Sir,
Yeah.
what's the difference between tuples and lists?
Tuple and list. Normally list is a static. List is actually a dynamic thing. Tuple is a fixed thing. Okay. Let me go and. Okay. Before that, I ask you something, isn't it? How are you going to do this thing? Did I share your screen? Not yet. Can I see my screen on, all of you? Where am I?
Yes, sir. We can see your screen.
Okay, where we are. We work hard. Okay, so we are here. I think I stop here. Right. Okay. All right. A person asking me about tuple and this one here. Okay, let me just give you example from what I used to teach in this one AI class. It's okay. Open for you. You know, it's actually to add some confusion. It's okay. I don't know the flow data types when it comes to like tuple and all that. Okay, let's say, okay, you can see here the standard data type here is numbers, string, list, tuple, dictionary. Okay, so now we are working with this tula. That's what pandai ini dua. So the numbers here, the data type and all that. Okay, we know that. The string also, I've taught you the welcome stuff. This is list. Okay, list like array, no difference. Okay, list is a collection of values. Remember, it may contain different types. Here string, here integer, here string, here integer, and the type here we call it list because it has different types. Compared to this, I call it a list. Later you will string. Later you'll see an array of numbers. Also, we can call it as array of numbers, but it also can be part of list. But when it comes to tuples, it is actually a sequence of Python objects. You might be wondering how it's different with list. Okay, the main difference between tuple and list, tuple cannot be modified. That's what Dr. Jagdeep said. It is a static element. So tak boleh tukar-tukar lah. And the reason why is that normally during the late 90s, Python was used for this DNA genetic programming, and those things you cannot change. You have to fix it. So they use the term called tuples for that. So tuple uses parentheses, whereas list use square bracket. So this is what I think the earlier question, when we use a square bracket and when you use curly, we call round bracket lah. So so in the case of tuple, it use parentheses. So why? Because it is a static element compared to the other ones lah. Okay, if you see, this is your tuple, this is your list. Okay, on top of that, there's what we call as dictionary. Okay, dictionary is this one here, where the dictionary in the Python works similar to the dictionary in the real world. Keys. Okay, in this case here, we give you a key. So day, Monday, date 1, 2, 3, and this is the type called dictionary because for each element entry, there's a key you give here. Okay, so these are the 3 types. Normally they have it for Python, and I will come back to these lists, but I will concentrate more. Dictionary, why they have it? Because normally they have a reference point for some data in order for you to extract. So for an introductory part, I think these 3 is enough. Tuples is a static list, cannot change the value, and that's why the reference. Remember, we always this is how you call the list. In the case of what do you call tuple, you just put it what do you call in a parenthesis. Okay, that's what you can see here. Others all same, no different. Okay, but this is a static. Cannot change the value. Okay, cannot modify, and that is important for some cases. We call it a static variable. All right. Siapa tanya tadi? Okay, boleh. Okay. let's work on these first so that we get all the introduction. There's so many people that try to understand new programming. So we go there. Okay, anyone find out how to come up with this thing? Okay, you can add something like this. This is an n, and I put n here. Mark greater 100. Okay, this is how you write some programming first. You don't do everything first. Oh, sorry, it's a mistake. Must be this one must be here. Note that the equal sign must be always after greater or lesser. So you don't know. So this one is mark greater or equal to 80, mark lesser or equal to 100. If I run this, okay, if I say 101, it give me some error lah. Okay, unsupported operand type for this one for integer and float. Okay. Probably you can go like that. We go add a similar error just now. Let me run again. If I put 100, I got an E. Okay. What happened if I put 101? 101. It says you pass because it's greater than 50. Okay. So you need to improvise this program so that it take within those values. All right. So maybe this one you make it okay. Another one you add is else if mark
Else if.
Okay. Mark, this is let me tell you this. This one here is called else if. Okay. In most programming, I don't know, you might learn Fortran, Pascal, blah blah blah, anything lah. But they make it so short in Python so that your coding looks simple and nice. So this one else if maybe else if you are not fail here. Wrong entry. Okay, wrong entry lah. Wrong entry. Then you can put another one. Or okay, else you fail lah. Okay, now you want to test the robustness of your program. Okay. Consistent. Remember, Ramesh asked, can I put single quote? I use this one single quote, no problem. Okay. What is that? You failed. No, you failed. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's test and see. Maybe there's an error. Okay. Let me test 52. Pass. Let me test 40. You fail. Not bad. Let me test -1. Wrong entry. Okay. But there is a issue here at one part. What is the issue, guys? If you can able to tell.
If someone puts over 100.
Yes. It still say pass. So how to improvise this thing here? Okay, one way is that you put like this. Okay. And mark greater than 100. Okay. Then wrong entry lah. Okay. So when you press this, okay, 101 wrong. Oh, you pass still. Why? Because it's within this range. Okay. So probably this should be on top. This particular thing should be the first thing that you have to have. Okay, then only it works. So you have to know the robustness of your program lah. This case here. Right? First, you need to make sure your if else on top will carry this. Okay, how to improvise this? Okay, now I'm going to do some changes. I want to do another if on top here. Okay, I'm going to put this one. Okay, now you see, this is called the nested if. Okay. All right, and there's a small if come here on inside. I'll explain to you lah. All right. You got a else elif, this one also inside here. This one no need. Else. Okay. Okay, else. And another else will come here. Okay, I'll explain to you then. Anyas now. Okay. Only 10 lines, huh? Okay. Wrong entry. Let me check first before run. Okay, this one got wrong. Must be sticking together. Got space here. Got space here. Space. Elif, all okay. Okay. No, this one. All right. Let's run. Wrong means okay. Nothing explodes. Okay, let me put 80. It says wrong entry. Why? Mark is lesser than 0, greater than 100. Okay, let's see, you put 0. All goes to wrong entry. Oh, mark must be greater than 0, lesser than 100. I make mistake here. Okay. All right. So now 80. You got A. Okay. 65. You pass. 101. Wrong entry. Now the program is robust. Okay, let's go one by one. Huh? This is what I call a nested if. Nested if. Nested if means inside if got another if. Okay, another if. And how Python make it so simple? Okay. Okay. Now let's do one by one. When I enter my marks, I convert to float. Then I will do the first check. If my marks is greater than 0, greater or equals to 0, and marks must be greater and equals to 100. Okay, this is any data entry, isn't it? Within that bracket. Any data entry within that bracket. If the marks is greater or equals to 80, okay, you got an A. Else if the marks is greater than 50, pass, else you fail. Okay, now this is what we call a nested if. This is an if statement inside this if statement. So if my marks is greater than 0 and marks is less than 100, yes means it goes here. No means it go wrong entry. Okay, let me repeat. Get your values, change to float value. If your marks is greater than 0 and marks is less than or equals to 100, yes, I put 85. Yes, my marks is within this. Greater than 0 and mark is lesser than 100. If it's within this, then you go in here and test whether he got an A, pass or fail. If you put some funny numbers, you just say wrong entry. That's it. Okay. So this is what you call a nested if. So programming can be very complicated based on the requirement. But if you know the basics, it's enough for you. You can do wonders.
So nested ni is like range
Range.
You kasih range.
No, nested here means wait. Means within this if there's a if inside. Can you see here? After the first if, I got a space. Sorry, you got a space. Then when I call the nested itself, there's another if inside. And again, there's an indentation. Then else for the main if. This is called nested. Within the if, got another if. That's called nested.
Oh, like you said the perimeter lah.
Yes. Because the reason why the question came, how to make sure the marks is between 0 to 100. Okay. Boleh semua? Ask Roslan lah. Roslan boleh, Roslan? Roslan, quiet already. Ramesh, okay, Ramesh?
Yes, sir. So far, so good.
Chin, okay? Oh, let me go those sitting at the back lah. All the back bencher lah. In the this one here. Tan Yi Cheng, okay? Yusof? Hafiz? AIA insurance, okay?
Okay, sir.
Alright, bagus. Okay. Ke belakang tu semua pandai. Okay, bagus. Macam aku, ke sekolah dekat belakang tu. Alright, let's go to, like what Shaira said, let's go to range now, because we're going to learn about for loops. Okay, this is the next part of selection. Then I'll go and teach you nice things lah. At the end, we teach nice things, okay? Right. By introducing NumPy and so on. Okay. Range here, if I say, okay, let me say lah, x equals to range 1 to 10. I say print x. Apa jadi cerita? So it print you the range 1 to 10. That's it. But in order to get the value for the range, you need to put the word called list. Okay, so I put XL list. Now that this is where the array comes in. In Python, very simple. They don't call array, list. Everything list. So they redefine the programming that everybody do lah. Okay, so I put here print XL. Okay, then if I run this, now you can see this one lists you correctly. Okay, what does this mean? All of you guys, what does it mean? This one got meaning, Hey guys, this one got meaning, no, got meaning. This one tells you, when I say like this, can you give me a list? Can you give me a list of values starting from 1 but less than 10? Must be an integer. Are you all okay? So start from 1 less than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 until 9 lah. And
sir,
the thing,
can we use the range for the previous one to get between 0 and 100% too?
Between 0 mana?
The previous one, this one. Yeah, instead of mark
No,
than
for range actually it gives you the list of values.
Okay.
You can give up to 100 also, you can. Okay, but this one is actually you're setting mark. What do you call? This is what you call as binary statement. Binary statement means your value will be between true or false. Okay, mark greater 0, true or false. Mark greater equals to 100, true or false. Okay, so this is what binary statement all about. This is actually getting a range of values. Okay, all right. Now let's go and do something different range lah. Kita buat range line. Okay, I want to put Y range now. Okay, Y range. Now my Y range, I want to start Y range. Okay, I want to start from 7 until 21. You can also like go at the from behind also can. Means can go reducing values or increasing values, up to you. Okay. Okay. And normally why we use range here? Because okay, this is called steps lah. I mean, okay, I will go through this lah. Okay, this is YL. Later we use for loop. Okay, can you see this one here? I start from 7, end by 21. But this one here is step. 7, kamu tambah 2, 9, tambah 2, 11, tambah 2, 13, tambah 2, 15, tambah 2, 17, and 19. Okay, now I'm going to array already. So we are working with arrays now. Okay. And the good thing of working with array here is that we can do nice for loops. Okay. And one of the for loops that I want to teach you actually using range here. Okay. So for loops, you know, it is a loop. Okay. So for I in range 0 to 100 or 20. Okay. So print. Okay. Print. Let me go up. Then you cannot see. Print. The what do you call it? Say multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. Must cover this, yeah. And I can do a small maths here. I times. And this one, don't forget the colon. Colon and the white space. Don't forget. All selection must have colon and white space. Colon and white space. But why I taught you the range? Because I'm using for my for loop. Okay, run lah. Can you see that? The multiple of 2. Okay, you want to make it cantik, ni. Right, boleh. Give you the whole list lah. And again, 0 to 28 means not including 20. Not including 20. So 0 to 19. Okay, so I don't want a multiple of 2 lah. Okay, I want to say print the value. Okay, you can change the thing, print the value. Can you see 0, 1, blah, blah, blah. Okay. I want to teach you something a bit new lah. Since I taught you this thing. Okay. Okay. I'll teach you this part. This plot saw later lah. Okay. Okay. I'm going to teach you something here because I teach you now for loop. How to insert value. Okay. Because remember the last time I taught you, okay, why I'm teaching you this is, okay, I taught you for loop now. You understand for loops. It's a loop, okay? But remember that I want to add 3 integers, okay? So I can generate how to enter 3 integers, 4 integers, like entering student records. You keep, you need to put like, okay, student number 1, student number 2, student number 3, 4. Hey, I got 100 students, means how lah? Cannot, isn't it? So there should be a way that you can actually enter based on number of records. Okay. So how are you going to do that? Okay. Well, I got my for loop, no problem. I can say 20. I can say 200. Okay, so this is what the program, the next I'm going to discuss it. Okay, it's again a very short program. We had 4. Okay, the last part here, I show a bit nice things. Okay. Okay, over here, just 7-line program issue. And okay, can you see automatically I use this one here now? That means, guys, enter number of records, whatever value you enter here, convert to integer. Okay. You say very confusing, sir. Fine lah. That means you can put here n integer casting n, no issue. If you feel it is confusing. Okay. Programming, you can make it simple, that suits you, right? Make sure this is also an integer, that's all. Okay. Now, I'm creating an empty list, I call it here. In Python, list is like array. Okay. Empty list for I in the range of 0 to the value that you enter here. Okay, the size of your record. For every value you enter here, until just say 20 records with 20 lah. Then I will insert the indices number and the value you entered. Then it will tell you the marks entered. Okay. All right. This is 7. Can you just type this? Then we will do the thing. Okay. All of you, can you type this first? All of you, what do you look? I'll explain to you one by one. I'll explain this. Format specifier. This is what we call as format specifier. Okay. I will explain to you that also. Okay. So, can you type this, all of you? Boleh? Tak banyak, 7 line saja. Okay. Tengok, 7 line. Semua program saya semua kecil-kecil saja. Everybody can follow. Thumbs up. Hana Najwa, boleh ya? Najwa. Okay. Muhammad Nizam, okay.
So far so good. So far so good.
Okay. Casey, okay, Casey. So with coding by how to input value selection and dealing with simple list here, okay, not very big one, simple list. It's good enough to do large coding. Okay. Okay, so if I run this, enter number of record. I got only 12 students here, but here got 227. Cannot enter everything. Okay, so enter marks for record 1, student number 1. That fella got 45. Second fella, smart fella, 67. Another fella, okay lah. Other guy, very good. Another fella, also, competitor. Other guy, also competitor. Other guy, okay lah, moderate. Moderate student. Another one gone already. Right? Another fella, 34. Other guy, ngam. Okay, another fella, super ngam. Now the marks I enter, I can give you in form of arrays. And I can play with these arrays. And playing with this array, I'll come next. For 1 hour. Python is not about this. Python is more than this. And we will look into this. For now, everything is key in. Okay. In Python, we don't key in a lot. We actually import files. And I will go through with you how to import files and how to do nice plots. Next. Okay. Before that, let me explain to you this one program to you, which is for me very important. Over here is that's normal. Input, you prompting people to ask what is the number of your record. I got 12 records, and this 12 here is convert to integer, because the range value will take only integer value. Careful. So these are the very important things. So remember the one I have it here, the for loops. For loops here. Okay. For I in range 0 to 12, of course, your value become from 0 to 11, and your indices start from 0. Okay. For I in range from 0 to n int, which is integer number 12. And before that, you assign your list m equals to a null list. Okay, when you enter your value, I automatically convert the value to a float value. Of course, first it prompt me, enter marks for record 1. How you get record 1? Okay, can you see this is what we call a format specifier. Format specifier said, can you grab my value over after my code? After my code. After my code. So this is I is now 0, I plus 1. So record 1. I plus 1, record 1. Enter marks for record 1. Now your I is start with 0. So enter the marks for I plus 1, record 1. So you enter the value, automatically convert to float. Now I have a function in list called insert I plus 1. So I here is 0. Again, 1, that means index 1, insert the value of your marks. Then marks entered after the for loop all complete, the flow will tell you this is the marks entered, whole entire marks here. And this is what normally we call it the array or a list. But later we will learn some of the function people built in Python, like numpys, like pandas, like plots, matplots, which actually makes the entire Python more colorful. Okay, so that's what I'm going to take you next. Most of the code I already coded, but I'll explain to you, but you have to code for me because all the codes are very small codes. I'll make it smaller also for you so that you can type and fill it. Okay. So can you see this is only 7 lines, but you can go until typing marks for 100 people or what. And the best part, you can store these marks. You actually can plot these marks and so on. Okay. And I can also share with you another code here. Small 3 lines code, but this is again a nested for loop. Okay, put it here. Okay, this is a nest also cannot work like that. Must put right. So this is telling range maybe 1 to 10, 1 to 10. You want to print like your school timetable, math timetable. So when I run this, oh, that's an error.
So sorry.
Yeah.
Why is the button play is executing? Is it an error? It's not displaying the answer.
This one here.
That mine. On my, is it the server?
Oh, maybe is it rotating always or what?
Or rotating always.
Oh, it takes some time. Ayo. Okay. Somebody must help you out there. Okay. Is this coming out? Somebody's asking me. Your name, please.
Zulita, but it's not coming up. There is no.
This button.
Yeah.
When you
Yeah, there is the button, but it's always executing. It's running around.
Oh, your for loop is not stopping.
Not stopping.
Yeah, can you stop it then? Like if you go endless for loop.
How to end the how to stop the cell to run? I mean running. How to stop it? Because I click the button is mentioning here cell is already running.
If you click
tak ada
again,
pause button
Tak ada pause.
If you
Nothing
click
stop.
again means it will be stopped.
You click again. Yeah.
Cannot. Cell is already running.
Okay, I know.
Should I refresh
Maybe you run 2 or 3 program. That's why it's happened like that.
No. What happened? It
That's
is an
happened to
endless
me
loop.
just now.
Endless loop is no.
Okay. I refresh. I need to refresh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The tab.
It's happened to me just now.
Okay.
Okay, now
Thank you.
Okay.
Sir. Yang
Yeah.
M insert tu kenapa dot?
Mana?
M insert tu kenapa dot?
Ini ya?
Tak
Oh,
bawah.
yeah. Okay.
Bawah.
Okay. Over here, this is a list. This is a function in the list. Okay. So one of the function is how to insert values. At the beginning, your list is null, no value, 0. So you are trying to insert value. Okay, first I enter 45, it goes in 45. So I insert the value 45. The next for loop, I put 67. So I insert 67. So your list is growing like that, no? Okay, 47, 45, 67, 55, 90. So this is a function inside list, already built-in function. And when you have list class, and this is your function, or we call it a defined method. So this is how you use a dot operator. A dot operator. So a dot operator actually will use a function of a list. So in the list got this function called insert, and this is a dot operator is actually part of object-oriented programming lah. So any method in a class, okay, in the list class, this is a method. So you actually call the method using a dot operator. So the dot is actually an operator in object-oriented programming. Okay, so later we'll come to this thing a lot after we use some packaging and so on lah. Okay, so this is a nested for loops, like doing your school table. Okay, x in range, y in range. So first x equals to 1, y, then it goes inside y equals to 1. So when x times y equals to 1 times 1, then go back to this 2. Y become 2, 1 times 2 equals to 2. Correct. It goes until 1 to 10. 10. Then go back again here. Some become 2, some become 1. 1, and it goes until you finish your table 10 times 10. Okay, 100. Okay, and now I want to teach you about the format specifier. This is for your x value. Okay, all right. So you can put here x equals to, so you want to make it better also can, but the problem is okay, it's the problem here, because when you say it x equals to this, y equals to this, okay, now won't make anything difference. So if I run again, x equals to 5. Can you see now? Clearer lah. I just want to show you clear things lah. X equals to 1, y equals to 1. So this loop will run 1 run finish, 2 run finish, 3 the whole thing run finish, and so on. This is called nested loop. Okay. All right. You know loop. You know if else. sekarang you orang sudah jadi pakar Python. Boleh lah. So next time don't tell I don't know Python. Now you say, I think I know a bit of Python. All right. So on top of these, there are also while loops. Okay. And also what do you call? We don't have a do while actually. Remember, other programs do have a do while. Don't have it here, which is good also. Why you want to have? Okay.
So, excuse me, sir, Ramesh again.
Okay. Yeah, Ramesh.
I'm not sure. Maybe I could be wrong. Do while is something like while true, right? That we can use.
Can. Yeah, you are right. You can tweak it lah in Python lah, but in real text, you know, they avoid that lah, you know. But a do while makes sense because it tests first and you complete, you know. But in the real text, they don't have it lah. But as you said lah, you know, you can do using the true lah. Okay, starting with the true value. But apparently all the codes can be done, can be worked. Okay, so let me in order to complete those things, since we done most of these things here, done this part. Okay, done the next this one here, just to tell you how to insert values. Okay, okay, now another code to put is, as I told you about the while statement. Okay, let me do the while statement problem. Okay. I equals to 0. Sorry. See, this is the issue in when it comes to Google or your phone. Okay, just to tell you lah. Remember, I'm talking about while, isn't it? Your phone also same thing. You want to try also can lah. One day you talk about secret recipe whole day. One night you talk about secret recipe. Next day, your phone got deals in secret recipe. Will tell you. Okay, they will hear you actually whatever you talk. So remember, just now talking about while. The flow already hear you and try to give you proposing on how to solve a while problem. Okay, so this is some scary part of AI lah. Okay, but it's okay. Not AI lah, no, scary part of marketing lah. Okay. While I don't want to follow him now. Giving me some suggestion. Okay, so this is another loop. Okay. Print I. This one should be inside here. Okay, so this is another way of doing your loop when I equals to 0 while I less than 10 or 5. Is it true or false? 0 is less than 5. True, print I. But you must have an incrementer. I don't want to confuse you here. I just say I equals to I plus 1. Okay, there's another way to put that. Okay, again, white space. Again, white space for loop. Again, remember, it's a long program, white space. Okay, all these are very important. Indentation. Okay, so just to give you a start lah on this. So when I run this, it gives you I. Is it okay? First I equals to 0. Less than 5, yes, print 0. I plus 1, now I equals to 2. 2 less than 5, 2 into, then plus another 1, 3. Is 3 less than 5? Yes, print 3, then plus 1, 4. 4 less than 5, print. Become 4, 5 less than 5, no, false. Okay, so that's how. So these are the two main loops that we have. Okay. All right, I want to go to something that makes you excited for the last. So normally last minute you all feel very tired. Okay, now since you know everything, let's go and do some nice plotting lah. Okay. Okay. Now, this is the first code I'm going to teach you, but I make it small. Can you all type this? Forget about this thing, huh? I'll tell you about this. Okay. Before that, this is what we call a class. Okay, a class. A class here means import numpy as new. It means numpy is a class. New is the instance of a class. Okay. This is part of object-oriented programming. And when I say from means a package from MATLAB, Matplotlib, this whole package got a lot of class. I import pyplot and I have an instance called PLL. This is how people have to deal with when it comes to software programming. Okay. Okay, now this is how I set my array. Remember last time I was doing about list and so on. Okay. Now I can do a proper array. Okay, a proper array. I want to make life easy for you because this one like okay. Okay, you are gonna type this, isn't it? Okay, make it short lah, huh? So that everybody happy. We're gonna learn now on. Can you type this, guys? And I'm gonna teach you about graphics, how to plot. Right. So now I plot this.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, if you don't mind, instead of us typing everything, maybe you could copy and paste in chat box.
Oh, okay. Can.
Enjoy. Happy holiday.
Oh, ada holiday dah. Bagus. Happy semua. Okay, let me put it in a. I'll have to teach you about these things first. Plot. Because I've changed the program, the array. Yeah. It says plot show. Copy paste this. Yeah. For that, I print this X. I just put a dot here. This one here, yeah, I can put just a line. Yeah. So this means I tell thing. Right. If I run this, okay, print. Let me run first so that it works. Take some time, everybody of you coding, so the cloud also heavy. Okay, now you can see I have one like this, one small dot. If you don't like the dot, you can put a plus sign. Okay, it's a plus sign, and there's a line. All these makes different. We'll go through on all these details here. This is just a straight line, in all this, and this is with numbers. Okay. Now, I'll explain all this to you, but I think Ramesh is right. Let me copy and paste. Okay, guys, copy here. The chat, everyone, chat. Okay, to siapa? To entire person, I don't know.
Yes,
What
sir. To everyone.
Yeah. Okay. Make sure. Okay. I think they don't have indentation. No problem. Okay. Can you copy and paste, everyone?
Sir, can you explain about the dot operator? I still don't get it. This one, right? The PLL and then dot show too.
Yeah, okay.
Why is it that way?
Just like that's not M insert. M is actually a list operator. First, M was what do you call? M was empty. empty 30. Okay, inside the list operator, that's what you call as insert. Okay, so it's a function lah in list function list class. Same thing over here. Okay, in numpy, numpy here you cannot use numpy. It's a it is what do you call it's not classified lah. It is a term that is already specified. Reserved words. So, but this is a class in Python where people like to use all mathematics lah. How to represent values, how to invert values, how to transpose values. But I'm making an instant of a class. Okay, so now what happened? The whole numpy here class is represented by nu. So nu, part of the numpy class, that means class means in one class a lot of methods. One of the numpy method is called array. How to create an array. Okay, so this when you're referring a class and a method, this is where the object orientation comes in. When it comes to there's a class I represent by an instant of a class, and an object I like to or function that I like to use inside the class. Okay, same thing over here. Plot. Over here, package. From package comes class. From class comes a lot of methods. Okay. So the whole package is called matplotlib. I'm taking a small class. Why I don't use the whole thing? Cannot lah. Then you have so many things to import. So I'm only using import pyplot, and this forms the instance of this class. Inside pyplot, I have so many functions. One of the functions is to plot, another one is to show. Okay. Another one, there's so many more. Later I'll show you everything. And this dot here means in this class, there is a function called plot. And to extract that thing, you need to use the dot operator. So this is object-oriented programming. This is the object called plot. This is the class called pyplot. But I cannot use pyplot reserved word in the program, so I create an instance of a class. Okay.
Oh, okay. So like the library too, and then library dot, and then you put whatever action you want from the library.
The best part, you know, need to code everything lah. That one people done for you already. So I extract, I call up the from the library, I call up this action. We call it method. Okay. So this plot will plot for you, right? Okay, guys. I hope you all have it. Okay, when you print X, you have the array here. 2, 1, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 9, 6, 15, 6, 16. Okay. This is a value lah. So this is what we call paired values. 2, 1, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 9, 6, 15, 6, 16. Okay. This is one of the values I take from semiconductor company lah. This is the strength. How strong the strength of the wire, gold wire. If you put your die only 1 inch. If you put 4 inch, this is the strength. If you put sorry, this is the length of your gold wire. Gold wire length is 1 millimeter, not millimeter lah. Millimeter also, no, very expensive gold lah. Okay, micrometer, right? So 9 micro, 16 micro, and this is the strength of your thing, right? Some of the example took from industry lah, but I cut out. It should be 30 data lah. To type 30 data crazy lah. Okay. So you can see that this is your first column, second column, correct? Guys, first column. Let me go here. Come here. Okay, okay. Oh, let me make it bigger. No cats here. Yeah. Wonder everyone looks pale. No cats. Bring the cats, huh? All right. What's Kogi mode? I also don't know. Well, okay. Oh, Kogi from funny face lah. Okay. I mean, bring both lah, so that everybody happy. All right. Okay. Now, guys, look at here. The number here 2, 1, 3, 4, 4, 4. The pairs, huh? 2, 1, 3, 4. Blah 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 here. Okay. This is column 1, column 2, and you have to understand how this meant. X double dot means take from all rows on column 0. This is column 0, column 1. This one means row and column, row, column, row, column. Huh? Take from column 0, entire row. So give me all these values. Give me all these values. Okay. All these values. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see that? These are my numbers. This is the iteration number lah. Tells you about
Recording in progress.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the value here. 2, what's the value you put in? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. And this value here is my rounds, And you ask yourself now, why is blue? Okay, blue is the default lah. If I put, now that means red rounds, red color. So I don't like red, I want black. Black means K. Okay. So it gives you a black. And there are few number codings there lah. Not everything you can do.
Where did you get the code name for each color?
It's given lah. K means black, B means blue. What do you call the other one? Red means red. I don't know. Maybe Y means yellow. Yeah, there are only 5 or 6, and don't try everything in the world. Y means yellow. There's I think another one called cayenne. Cayenne, like crayon color. Yeah.
So try pink.
No lah, pink don't have lah. No pink color. Okay. All right. So you don't like the round. You can put if you say RS, it's called red square. Okay. So it can give you different. Okay. Just to tell you, very important here. What it represents here is 6 numbers here, and my values 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. The second graph, guys, you see here. I already plot. Plot show means I plot it up. First I want to plot this with red square. Please show me. I want to plot the second column. The second column. Second column. I want to plot this. Just 6 numbers. With plus sign. Number with plus sign. All right. Okay. Okay. But I think I don't want this plus sign lah. I want a blue color lah. Oh, black color. I don't want any square or anything lah. Probably this one plus sign. Okay. So if I do that, I got a nice line. Nice line. And how about this line? I want to overlay something lah. Tak boleh lah macam ni. Saya nak line dengan overlay. Okay? Tak boleh? Tak boleh? Senang. Okay. So you put this one here. Same thing. I want to put maybe it don't work like that. Okay, never mind. Let me try this. Okay. So I find, can you see the second graph now? What the label, labels. Okay. For the label here. So then you think to yourself, what happened if I don't have the show here? That means it will override. This plot and this plot and this plot will override. Okay. So if I put a so can you see that all will override? So that's why you are distinct out lah. You distinct out. So that's what will happen. Okay. But how you want to plot two things? No, I want to plot this one and this one. This one is how you relate both graph X and Y. So then, guys, this is your X, this is your Y. Can you see value 2 to 6? This one until 16. Okay, this is what I get. Okay, want to make the whole thing look small? Can make it like that lah. I don't want my name all here. Probably my name, small name here is enough lah. So only 16-line program can do wonders. Okay, more to come, more to come. Cannot leave you like that. More to come. Can follow, guys, all of you? Okay, somebody put there. Magenta is M, W is white. White cannot see lah. Yellow is okay. Thank you so much. Thank. Fantastic. No pink color. Somebody asked pink. No pink lah. Sorry lah. Okay. Okay. Can we go next one? Next one. All right. Next plot. I'm going to use the same graph. Okay. Okay. This is how to plot all together in one place lah. Okay. Okay. Let me make it like the same plot so that I don't confuse lah. So again, so subplots. Okay. Let me put it it's too big here to see. Okay. Let me tell you this part here. What is this? Okay, I want to make it simple. Right. 1. Okay, this one can be 0 and 1. Okay, to make life this one 1 0. Okay. I'll take this one off so that to explain to you better way. Okay. Column 0, this one here. I'll explain all this lah.
Sir, can you please share the
yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that now.
Okay, thank you.
Remove these so that the program looks short. 15 lines is good program. Okay. 14 lines better. I'll share with you. Okay, I'm sharing now. All of you copy and paste. Don't waste your time. I'll explain to you one by one. CC thanks it, agenda. Okay, let me explain to you what's this. It's a mistake then. It's out of bound. All right. Very small, 14-line program, and we can explain a lot of things here. Okay. This is about customization. Later we come to that. Another subplots. How to do other subplots. I'll not going to do everything here, but the line customization, yes, I have to go through. Okay, let me explain this, and I will ask a question. How to do probably 2 plots of the sides and so on. Okay. So there are 2 questions I place here. Later we'll do some small codes, smaller than this. Okay, now I want a plot. The problem is like this one here, I don't like this plot because I got 3 plots and I have to scroll like that. So because this one is overlap lah, by right it's not overlap. Yeah, no, if I run this, it's better. So it should be 3 plots. 1, 2, there are 3 shows then. Show program. 3 shows. 1, 2, 3 shows. And I have to scroll this. I want to see all this in one plot. So this is what I call, you're bringing a subplot here. Again, there are 2 things I'm calling here. One, to form an array, same array. I print the array. I'm using the same values, no difference. But over here, I want to create a subplot. Okay, how you create a subplot? There are 2 things here. First, I'm creating a figure, only one figure, and I reference it with an axis, AX, which equals to a subplot 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means, guys, is 4 lah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 by 2. Okay. So the very first plot, 0, 0, means column 0. Okay. So note that I go by showing here lah. 0, 0 means row 0, column 0. Rows. Note that everything starts 0 and 1. 0 and 1. 0, 1. So row 0, column 0. Show this. 1, 0, row 1, column 0. Blue square. Okay. 0, 1 means row 0, column 1. Can you see a red plus sign? Okay. And row 1, column 1. It shows your magenta square. Remember, Tang shared just now, all the color code. Thanks, Tang. Tang, isn't it, just now? Examples. Wait. Tang, isn't it? Yeah. CC Tang shared with us. So, magenta. Other colors you can try like yellow. White, you can't see anything now. Okay. So, now I can see all the 4 plots in one place by having subplots. And it's part of an instance of pi plots. That means some of the function. Let's use what's the name? Shira. Sariza. What? Function or action. So this is subplot is part of your pi plots. One of the methods will actually can break your plots to 2 by 2, 2 by 1, 1 by 1, and so on. Okay. Okay. Now the reason because I have to have 2 indices because it's 2 by 2. And 2 by 2 means I have to refer by rows and columns. But if you have just only 2, 1 or 3, 1 or 1, 3, then you just refer only by 1 indices. Okay, this is what I want to do now. Can you follow this, guys? So note that I'm telling figure X and the subplot is 2 by 2. I want to have one figure in this when you call subplot, subplot must have this one whole figure with the axis of over here. It automatically will state they are an array of 2 by 2. So must have row and column information. Okay, now I'll just do another one for you. Okay, then we compare and see how very fast. Okay. And I'll send to you to the chat also. Okay, so it's on 2B. Okay, now I put it 3-1. Only one indices. The row is by row, row three plots. So I don't need this indices. I just go like that. Like that. Of course, I got 2. Let me explain to you. Okay, let me explain to you. I don't need this one also. But now, row 1, column 0, row 2, column 0. Okay, 3 rows, 1. Okay, let me run this. Makes sense or not? Okay, can you see this now? 3 rows, 1 column. Row 0, column 0, row 1, column 0, row 2, column 0. And this is how it plots for you. 3, I want a figure. Inside the figure, I must have 3 rows of plots. Okay, now let's do another one. Okay, I copy and paste for you here, right? In your chat, everyone. Another one I'm going to teach you is, okay, see, okay, I say 1 and 2, maybe just 2, okay, or maybe 1, 2, and I just take it off this one here. I don't want this, and this is the rows are zeros, but the column increases now. Okay, let's see the thing. Only 12-line program. Now you see the thing. Now it goes like that. 1 row 0, column 1, row 0, column 2, and the whole plot just appears in this way. Okay, and this one is really nice. Okay.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
I'm having trouble in understanding the row and column and how it was plotted into the graph.
Okay, I'll explain to you. I go from help. It is 4:49. Ms. Radha, is it okay? It takes 10-15 minutes more. Students are very interested.
10, sir, no problem.
Can you imagine? Everybody is all still there. No, we have to appreciate them.
Until I share the feedback form, you continue, sir.
Oh, you force them to stay. That's facts. All of them have to go for tea time now.
Yes.
Sir,
Yeah.
subplot tu can you show in a form of Excel? So now I'm confused. Siapa yang row, siapa column?
Okay. There's no siapa. When you say 2 by 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you want to do Excel, pandai. All right, that's a good point. No? She said use Excel. Let me. She got a good point there. Okay. All right. Siapa tanya Shira? Siapa nama dia? Who asked you this? Huh? What's the name? Sorry, tak dapat nama dia.
Siapa tanya?
Who was asking the question?
Me.
Su, sir. Su.
Should be a teacher lah. Cikgu ke you need? No, she's asking to explain the proper way lah. No, so
So maybe this one can help you. The first number is your row, and the second digit is your column.
She's a teacher, no? She want to see in like that lah.
Again.
Nombor pertama tu row, barisan. Nombor kedua tu column. Column. I think lajur kalau tersilap dalam bahasa Melayu.
So like that lah. Now you have 2 by 2 means like that. So your plot goes like that lah. So this is 0, 0. Mana 0, 0 ni? Alright. So this is your column 0, column 1. Row 0, 1. So this one is 1, 0. Okay. So your axis, x2, it can be any name lah. You can put A also, no problem. Okay. Baik, dua ni. Kacau. All right. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So then what happens if I put subplot 3, 1? I put okay lah. I put 1, 3. How happened? 1, 3. Sama lah. Macam ni pula dia. Okay. So means one row. The row here. Yeah, why I put here? Put it down here lah. Huh? That makes sense. Okay. So it is row 0, column 0, column 1, column 2. Okay. So just now we do for 3, 1 lah. Subplot 3, 1. Subplots 3, 1. I like the way you say use Excel lah, sir. Like it's now pandai lah kamu. Cikgu lah kamu. So cikgu all can
No lesson student.
probably ajar tuition ke apa ni, tak tahu. Alright. See. Right. So now you can see that this is we don't put like this. We just say 0. So automatically understand in array form lah. 1 and 1 and 2 lah. Okay. So that's what happened if I go back to my mana put aku ni. Okay. So this one here is 2 by 2. So I refer this way. 3 by 1. I don't care. It's 1, 2, 3. Because it is 3 rows. I go back to my Excel. There, this one here. 0, 1, 2, 3. And aku punya ini 0, 1, 2. And it can be also in form of column in this form. Okay. Boleh? Thank you to introducing my Excel. Probably. All right. Boleh ya semua? Can follow? Did I give you this code? Ramesh?
Everything can follow, but I'm having
example 2C you already shared, sir.
Interpreting the combine.
Combine what? Sorry, Farhan, tanya apa?
Yes. So at the third graph we have is a combined value into one graph, right?
Yeah,
so
correct.
How actually it calculated the value? I'm not really catching.
Okay.
The first and the second graph is straightforward, but how about the third one?
Okay, for the third one, let me go to this. This one. Shall I go to this problem here? Then I can explain to you. Okay. Actually, it should come on the next plot, but it's okay. I can teach you here. No issue. Okay, let me go to the first one here. Put X label. X axis. this one here. If we look at the third plot lah. The question came, okay lah, this one is not very straightforward. I understand, very easy. But when I come here, I don't understand. What do you mean this plot here? Okay, I think I should explain to him, to everyone, right? Okay, if I run this, let me go to the last. This one straightforward, you'll understand. Out of 6 values, how this value represent. Okay, semua apa? Okay, 6 values, how this plots. Out of 6 value, this is the number here. So you can see how the plot comes. Okay, understood. But this one here, tapang. Now I got my y-axis, x-axis. So what it says here, this one here is this one over this. Sekarang is like a pair, no? Macam you in the school, you do coordinates lah, coordinates. 2, 1. 2, cikgu, 2, 1. Cikgu Su, 2, 1. Okay, 2, 1. Right. Then 5, 9. Okay, y-axis 5. X-axis 5. 5, 9. Okay. So this is a proper way of writing an XY graph. Okay. I should explain that lah.
Okay,
but you put
no, understood.
But by putting label, nampak cantik sikit. Correct. Okay, let me go fast because it's already going to be 5. Okay, but I want to show all the graph, then only I feel happy. Done. Okay, this is a proper way to write a line graph. But like what Ramesh said, no use to write everything, look everything. I explained to you. Okay. I copy paste for you lah. So at last, don't worry, guys. Give me 15 minutes, all done. Okay. All right, this is the program here. Okay. Now I have a larger. No, I just use the same stuff lah. Same. Easy. Guys, use the same array lah. Or you can change also. Just say you want to write a proper line graph lah. Over here, we'll tell you, can you see here? The color is green. This is like, a proper writing of, no. But normally people don't do it. But, if you really want to make sure your graph look cantik, warna cantik, semua cantik, tak apa, boleh buat. Okay. Then your line is dashed. There's dotted also. Okay, I tak tahu. Mungkin ada. Okay, ada banyak benda lah. Dotted ada banyak benda. Okay. Ada letak. Tengok. Kamu, if you go to this link here, kamu nak cari, you want to do a lot of things, you can do lah. Okay, I copy paste and send to you. You want to do fantastic graph also can. You. Then the line width. This is your width line. Tebal dia. Marker ni, for every point I want a marker. Like over here, remember, I need to do a marker with another line. All right. I have to put another line. After the straight line, I have to put a marker. Tak payah. Ini satu line boleh buat semua. Tak payah ni. This is a proper way to write, but of course lah, not easy to put the whole list of line lah. But don't worry. In programming, everybody don't remember everything. Okay. And for the marker punya color, blue pula. And the marker size, how big the size you want. Okay. So this is what I get. I want to change the color. Oh, day. Okay. So you say I want red color. I'm not sure whether ada ke dot ni. Okay. Tak tahu. Tak apalah. Kita buat saja lah. Salah aku bukan nak merasap kan. Then 3, the line width. The marker size I want 15. Of course, the value I take to the plot, sama saja kita buatkan 2 plot macam tadi ditanya kan. Siapa tu Handan dan tanya tadi. Sorry ya. I want the 2 graph here. I want to label the graph. I want to have the title of the graph. It is a proper way to do. Okay. And when I run this, okay, can you see that? My line is now converted to red, dotted now. Line width lagi besar, I think too big. No, okay. but my marker is this size, and the problem is the marker here is is too big. So probably you can make it smaller lah. I think it's too big lah. Make it 5. Red color looks scary. Black color professional. Right. And there's so many colors actually. You can find. Right. And okay, is there anything? Okay, this is I give some example. I thought of giving you examples. There's a fancy graph also you can do. Bar chart. Okay, let me teach you on the bar chart. Okay. In this one, okay, yeah, guys. Okay. On how to orientate your graph. Okay. Another 10 minutes, then I'm off today. All right. This is your. Sorry. This is your. Okay. Let me make it a small graph. All right. I have to explain to you this one. That small explanation. Tak banyak. Now I changed my instant to PLT plot. Okay. Okay. Only 14 lines. Okay. If I want to throw this, I can make it short those. 13 lines better. All right. 13 lines. Okay. A very small program. Okay. The label is sales for the day and the sales lah. Okay. Now there's another thing. I want to teach you this, and this one you can apply for all your thing lah. Okay. Okay, all of you, can you look at your chat? Okay. Please look at the chat. Copy and paste. I'll explain to you this, all this. Okay. The good part is that when you run this, okay. There is a problem. What is this? Oh, you need to have this thing. And this one must be somewhere. I don't know where it should go. Copy. This one should be in the download. Wait, I have to put this in the download here. Wait, download. Okay. There's a issue. There's a problem here. Okay. I open this.
Sir, I'm having error. I don't have that file to.
Yeah. That file must be in the download thing lah. Okay. That's something very weird of this Python. But you need to have that file inside. Okay, wait. Why I cannot download, and I need to have this. This particular file must be downloaded. Okay. If you don't have this, then you cannot. So that's the issue. So I don't have this file. Let me see what file I have. Probably I named that file maybe. PNG file. No. I use the other PC, so I don't have that. No. I delete the whole thing. No, it's not. So that file must be there, or you have to save it lah. Okay. But save normally don't work lah. Normally. Okay. Now let's. Okay. I can do one way. Let me say. Okay. Just 1 minute, guys. Let me explain this without this download lah. In Python, you need to have this file. It means normally you save the file and you download the file. Okay, it's part of the to make sure that you don't make mistakes lah. Okay, so okay, now let me explain to this how this works first. Okay, when I run this, now can work lah. No error because I already comment this thing. Okay, so what happened here for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, you work for 6 days, there are sales here. So can you see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday? These are the sales figures. These are the sales figures. Okay, these are the sales figures lah. Right. So now let me put another one. Okay, plot, save, but this one don't open. Don't open actually. It just empty file sometime lah. You don't really see the okay, because it don't allow you actually to be all you don't this one save Google Colab don't allow you lah to save. Okay, it saves. Okay. Enter this one. There's some noise there. Okay. Say download. There should be an error. Okay, now it's downloading because it's save figure. All right, guys. Let me. Okay. All right. Let me put here. Well, download. Okay. All right. Okay. When I don't know whether it's there or not. Sorry lah, I saw everything is everywhere. I open this. So whatever plot you can save like that. Okay, I give you this code for you. All right. So if you have the thing in the, it will download for you. It's a part of the safety features lah. Okay. Don't ask me why. Sometimes I always ask. But Colab always feel that no, they cannot have multiple downloads lah. Okay, can you? I already put there. Yeah, I know. I think somebody is. I'm not an admin here. Sorry. Madam, can you mute? I think somebody's mic is on lah.
Sure, sir.
Then I'll put everyone first.
Done, sir.
Okay. All right. So again here for bar graph, this is an array. First, you need to tell the y-axis Monday. No, these are Monday, Tuesday, and the sales. And also this is a sales number must be there. That will tell you the height of your frequency here. The bar graph, frequency graph, and this using plot, day, and the value. Okay. And I taught you how to download also. Okay, the last one today, and I think we'll finish. I like this one here. Which one cannot be with a pie plot? Then we end today session. Sorry, it took you another 15 minutes. I start also 10 minutes late lah. Okay. Okay. So okay lah, bukan teraci kan. 10 minit aku start lambat. I also take your 10 minutes lah. Boleh ya? Okay. All right. Now this is for pie plots. So for a day here, you have array, month, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And this is my sales, just like your bar graph. Okay. And you want to show the color here. for your plot, because here got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I want to represent with all these colors. Red, yellow, green, blue, black. Yeah. Okay. You want to put magenta, you follow CC Tang. Okay, also, no problem. Okay. White, don't know la, white, no color la. Huh? So the plotting for your pie here, plot pie will give you the sales number. The label here is actually the days. This is your label. Huh? Can you see label? This is your sales. I'll tell you how the figure for the sales came. Maybe the black color cannot see. I put K on. Huh? So the value for this actually, if you sum this thing, 11 plus 9, 20, 20 plus 30, 30 plus another 20 is 50 lah. My maths is so poor, means please tell me lah. 20, 30 plus another 20 is 50. So this is a percentage. 5 over 50, 10% on Monday. 10 over 50, 20% on Tuesday. Thursday, correct? Okay, 20% on Thursday. All right. And what are things you put there? The color is whatever color you place here. The angle is actually 90 degrees lah, angle. I want a shadow, no shadow. I want to explode. Explode here, the Saturday one, I want to reveal out how the performance on Saturday. Then these are the numbers lah. Sepecahan. Dua titik perpuluhan. So I want only satu titik perpuluhan. Tak mau dua. And the radius is 1. Okay, I want to change this. I want this one to explode big. And Monday blues, I want to explode. I want to have a shadow. Okay. Then color change already. I want a very big pie chart. Okay. All right. I copy this. How many lines? Okay. Okay. All right. I want to 15 lines, huh? 15 lines can make a very nice plot. Okay. Copy for the last. Copy paste for you. All right. So I run this. Any array, any values, you can do the same thing. Huh? So you plan, you can download, you can put in your report. Okay, that's what the download thing I gave it to you, share to you. Okay. Take some time. Thinking, 2 minutes. So very big plot. Thinking.
Sir,
yes.
What is the percent 1.1 F plus percent?
Okay. This one here, can you see 16.0? Now I already changed the code to 0.1 lah. The flop tengah PK sekarang. Why lah this one very slow.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, you pasted the earlier example.
Oh yes, sir.
Yes,
right.
sir. The earlier one you
now we got another new plot now. Okay, let me a few. Wait, sorry. Wait. Why the earlier one only coming in? Now okay. No, not pie chart. Okay, so the main thing is that plot pie, and these are the attributes, sales, labels, just like your bar chart. The colors labels based on the number of elements here. And I put it 90 degrees. I don't want the slender. I put a shadow. Can you see a shadow, guys? Everyone? The shadow, small shadow. The one explodes is on Saturday and Monday. Monday and Saturday explode out. Okay. And it's too big because I put it 3 lah. So 3 is big lah. This is your label here, because do I ask? Okay, can you see that plot legend? Legend here is giving you the labels. Okay, let me explain everything. Title is my, I put my bar chart, isn't it? One lousy name. Is it coming out here? Where's my label? Label hilang here. Or is it here? No label. Oh, there, my bar chart. Okay, my bar chart. Can see. Too big lah. And can somebody ask me what is the not 0.2? Okay, guys, this is formatting. Number 1 is I'm telling I want to have a percentage sign. So I need to show, because percentage is a reserved word, reserved term, was format specifying. To place a percentage, you need to show percentage. Okay. So 1 means only one, there's 1 titik perpuluhan saja. So kalau nak 3 titik perpuluhan, letak 3 sini. Over here, any values lah on the side. Okay, you can take any value, but this one is not a matter. Actually, you can just put like that, also still works lah. But normally people put percentage 5 because people don't have more than 5. 5.1 and so on. This is too big, This is too big lah. Probably you can slender a bit. I mean, I'm not sure. Put a slender, and I think this one side by side I don't like. It's nice to have those in the middle, those explode out. So explode out a bit more. So probably it takes some time because rendering. Okay, it's not fast. Right? So you can see this one and this one explode out. Wednesday and Saturday explode out. Smaller pie chart. And this is my pie chart. It's still sticking out there. If you see here, 75 means can you see this is 90 degrees? 75 means like that. Okay, so it's like that, slender a bit lah. Angle. So okay, madam, I think it's 5:15. So we stop, and everyone here, I will share this link to you. Okay, it is more than this lah. Okay, so this link here, and for training week, anybody can use this program. You want to learn yourself. Okay, so anybody can edit, play, no problem. Okay, so including some I have to show on box plot and everything. You can see that, and also how to upload values. Upload values. Okay. I don't know where my electric CSV file. Can madam, you have this file, madam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you share with the student. Okay, guys, this one here, this one for higher classes. But you see, every time in the world, we cannot actually key in mark values. No, cannot at all. Okay, you need to put in an Excel file. You extract from Excel file. Last time is a big problem. Now no big problem. In Python, 17 lines only. Take from Excel file, throw the thing. You can plot lah, you can do anything you want. Okay, so this is one example here. Another one I add for today. You can actually stream data from also webs. Okay, so this is one example on that lah. So when you are free, this is like quite an advanced topic. But guys, whatever you learn this little bit, you can actually do very big thing. Okay, my student, I teach less than this also lah. Some of them, and they do something so havoc that actually I have to blink my eyes. So you can be one of them out of these 200. Okay, all the best to you, and thank you for putting up with me. 2 hours 20 minutes.
So the file just now, are you going to share in group WhatsApp or?
This Madam Radha will share already.
Share in the chat box also, sir.
Okay. No, the
later I will
this
share,
side, this one.
Electricity.
Later. Okay, the one, this one,
Later.
guys. Only thing you have to share. Okay, when you have this one, mana perginya? Ada ke saya sini tengok? Kalau ada, saya boleh bagi. Kalau tak ada, sorry lah.
Sir, could you please also share the last code on pandas, the last example?
Which one?
The last example, on pandas.
Is the one that in the file.
The last one, the one
This
you
one,
are
the one.
looking for the file.
Oh, that one. No,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
actually share the link. No, the link here means you can open the link, you can see the whole thing.
Yeah. We have to wait. Lecturer have will share the link.
No, can you see what is the lim H also have it? So this one.
I don't see the link in the chat box, sir.
Okay, let me copy. Maybe I give it to Lim only. Ayo, Lim. You very good lah. Okay, now share everyone. Okay, now you can see the whole thing, huh? Hey, wait. I give you that one. No, there's 1 minute lah, done, everything. Okay. No, 1 minute, madam. I think it's somewhere here. Database. No, not here. No, where it is. Yeah.
Sir, can you please stop your screen? Why?
You have that thing, is it?
Yes, sir, I have. Later I will share.
Okay. Guys, just to tell you before I'm leaving now. Okay, you want to just say I want to run this. I don't have that file here. Actually, the file is. I was thinking to get this file here. Just say later, madam will share.
Just to see for your email, sir. You already sent me.
Yeah. Okay. So, guys, you want to run this? Just to tell you. Okay, all of you follow. 1 minute. 205 is still here. Okay. Can you see this one here? All of you?
Yes, sir.
You press files. Okay, before you run this, can you see all this downloaded here? Can you see this one here? Upload. Then you have to put this file. Later, Madam Radha will share. Okay. Myself, I don't know where I place it. Okay. If I have it, means I can show it just for 2 minutes. Then everything is there for you. Oh, this here. Yeah. Okay, you're lucky fellas. Ayo. Okay. Okay, you guys lucky. Can you see now? Pandas, plot. I'm reading from this one. No. If you want to open this, somebody asked me about Excel. Very nice. Okay. 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 This file here is electricity file. Somebody, you guys are okay. I'll share this to you. Madam, I cannot share. I cannot share this thing you share with them. Okay. Files I cannot share.
Okay, sir.
Because this one don't allow me to go to my computer.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Later, you please share with them. Okay. This is the file. This is the file. No, this is the file. So I can just take the file out. Okay. File. And the best part is that I can take not the whole thing. I can say I want only from 8 rows. See, I want only this. I don't want the whole thing. Want the whole thing, you can locate the whole thing. Then I print the X value, print everything. So you can do. Can you see I'm streaming from the whole thing? Okay. I can write a box plot. Okay. And you can do many things with that file. But please note again, this one here, can you see this one here? Then files. Then you upload the file. All in Python, all CSV only. Comma separated values. CSV. Okay. Another way of doing is by streaming from the web. Also, I already given to you. And from there, you can plot you can do anything whatever you can do. No need to just type input values all. This is the way of people doing it. And doing other things is difficult. Okay. Okay, attendance multiple time people asking. All right, I stop. I got attendance. Apa? Banyak marah. Ayu, marah. Berapa kali saya nak minum teh lah.
Okay. Dr. Jagdeep, are you there?
probably driving lah.
Okay, sir. Okay, no problem. Okay, so let me take the photo session now. Okay, so everybody please
No,
sit down.
you, somebody wanted to pick up children in the school lah.
Everybody please switch on your camera.
Okay, I switch off.
Please.
Okay, everyone.
Everyone please switch on your camera. So everybody please switch on your camera. Wait. There are 9 pages is there. Let me go for one by one. Picture screenshot.
Screenshot. Alamak.
First completed. Go with the second one. Okay. Second page also completed. Go for third page.
I think many people are using phone.
Okay. Yeah, everybody's driving. Home.
Okay.
Okay.
I hope everybody, the class was good today, and we would like to see you again in near future, right, to complete the further applications which we have not covered today.
One is driving and
thank you, sir.
Why?
No problem. Thank you,
sir.
Participant, please
you,
switch on your camera. The fourth
Thank
page.
you very much, sir, for the class today.
No problem.
Really appreciate your help, sir.
No issue, no issue. My pleasure.
Thank you, sir.
My pleasure to teach all those who don't know. One day they say they know everything.
Thank you, sir.
One day I will see out of these 210 plus Python top coders lah. Okay.
Thank you to Doctor and Madam also.
Thank you so much.
Okay, all the best. I already shared the code with you. Okay, go through the enough lah. Okay.
Sir, one question, sir. So for tomorrow class, will you be teaching the AI?
I will do only
AI will
partly. Yeah.
Dr. Patrick will be teaching AI tomorrow.
At 2, isn't it? On robotics.
Dr. Patrick, yeah, and also Dr. Maran. Dr. Maran, and also, if I'm not mistaken, Dr. Suresh will give overview on the AI governance.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Participate in the program as well. Dear students,
Sir, can you share the video, the recording video in group WhatsApp?
Sorry, ma'am.
Not now. After finish all the NTW, then we'll share.
We are not
Okay.
Everyone, I shared also the other code for the Python from scratch also. Okay. Everyone, all right. Okay.
Radha, when is SQL?
Sunday, sir.
Sunday, okay. Anybody interested to learn in SQL also can join our class.
Okay.
Sunday I'll be teaching SQL. Okay.
So
I
we
would
have
like to...
another class?
Yes, you will have another classes. Don't worry. This is not you registered even for one, but we'll give you the full whatever other classes as well. If you are interested to join, you are most welcome to join.
Okay, so we have to request through NTW.
Okay,
no, not necessary.
No, this is different.
We can even now we have the contact, means we have your contact.
Okay, noted,
we have the
sir.
group. We can share in the group.
Noted, doctor. Thank you very much, doctor.
Right.
Everyone
Okay,
asking attendance. Oh my God.
Wait.
Sir, attendance, those who have attended the program today, Ms. Radha, I think they will get automatically, they will get as well, but we will give them one more certificate from our side for attending.
Somebody say, I want to go
toilet.
toilet.
Wow, that sounds great. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dr. Jagdish.
So this is not only because, see, we are not here just means talking about the certificate. We want that tomorrow you become our representatives in the market. So when you go out, your knowledge is your certificate. And that time you'll be telling you have learned from CITYLABS. Right? So that is a real certificate for us, and that's a real means of value for you.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, welcome. God bless you all.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I
Thank
hope
you,
you
sir.
guys
Thank you
able to
so much.
understand.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thank you.
Take care.
Thank you all.
Bye.
See you guys soon
Bye.
again.
everyone.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, take care.
Thank
Okay,
you,
bye.
sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you having you. Okay, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Wait, now I am going to share the attendance form first.
Okay. So,
Thank
Ms. Radha,
you.
you have taken some pictures by groups, is it?
Done, sir.
Different pages, is it?
Yes.
Okay. Later we'll post on the our Facebook and
Okay.
plus on the NTW book, right? And let's see what we can help out them even what we will try to do, we'll propose your names to even HRD Corp. If they have funding to give a full-fledged programs to all of you guys, I think we will try our best to get you a full trainings and other sources from where you can learn more.
Thank you very much,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay. Welcome. Welcome. God bless all. Okay. So I take a leave now. Thank
Thank
you
you,
very
Dr.
much.
Jalbe. Bye-bye.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I'll catch up with you tomorrow again.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
Okay.
Bye, Mr. Adam. Okay.
Okay, sir. Take care.
Thank you, everyone.
And
Thank you.
big
Bye-bye.
thanks. I should
Thank
okay
you,
before I
sir.
leave.
Thank you.
I
Bye.
should give a big
Bye.
See you
thanks to
again.
Miss Radha.
Will do.
Miss Radha,
Bye-bye.
who has until 1 o'clock night yesterday have put everybody in the groups until her phone also got blocked. And she's also actually one of our data scientists, lecturer. Today she's just behaving like admin only, right? But I think tomorrow she'll be more action. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Ms. Radha, for all effort.
The student want to enroll the other courses also. I want to increase the seats.
Can increase
In
the
the
quota.
NTW.
1,000. Those who are coming, let them come. We teach. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow, what time is it?
Okay.
Later in the group, she will be put for everyone. We have actually whole day coaching session tomorrow. 9 until 5, we are teaching different subjects. If you are free, feel free to join.
Okay,
Thank you
sir.
so much, sir.
11
Okay,
to
okay.
1. 11 to 1, sir. 11 to 1 Power BA. And then
Okay.
2 to 5 Artificial Intelligence.
Okay. And Sunday also we got courses, right?
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay, everybody.
Thank you very much.
Okay, bye. Okay, thank you.
Yes,
Thank you. God
everybody
bless you.
please fill up the attendance form as well as a feedback form as well. There are two chat bars, attendance form and then feedback form. So please fill up.
Yeah.
Okay, super. Once done, you may leave from the meeting. And then, okay, give me 1 hour time. Let me increase the NTW sheets and then you may also enroll. So this is, in this training, you will receive certificate from NTW itself. Once we key in for all the candidate attendance, and then the certificate automatically comes to your email. So how was today's session? I want written feedback. Can you please write the feedback in our WhatsApp group as well? And then one more thing, this WhatsApp group which is created for only dedicated purpose. So don't share hi messages, good morning message and all. If you want to have any question related to subject means you write the question in our chat box. We just reply you, okay? And then this is a one-day program only. If you are willing to have a session with for further, for example, we are willing to get the funding from government body for a 5 days program, 1 month program and all. If you really interested means later I will share the advertisement in our WhatsApp group. If you really interested, just approach us. Okay. Thank you, Miss. Can you please write down the feedback in WhatsApp group? Okay, because once I upload the thing, everything will be. So please write the feedback in the WhatsApp group. WhatsApp.
Oh, sejak bila pula? Pandai lah. Salah, saya nak macam serius meeting je lah. Serius. Ada mahal ni tu. Apa ni? Mana mahal lah. Apa? Apa itu? Lah.
Can you please unmute?
Allah, kata nak budak dah. Lepas tu nak... Macam mana kita nak cakap kat orang? Nanti kepala saya di mana? Mana ada dia? Kata kita nak buat program. Apa ni? Nanti saya print lah surat yang Dr. share. Dia punya kat mana? Dia punya kat mana ni? Kalau
Nothing. If you have both form, so that's it.
Done my feedback form.
That's it.
And attended as well.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Miss
Welcome.
Nidam. See you again.
Yes, sure.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, you didn't register. This program, right? Okay, wait, 1 minute, wait, let me check. So, sorry, we are not sharing our recording session, okay, because we submitting this recording to government body, that is approved. So we shared that material, but sorry. Okay, so just give me 1 hour time. Let me increase NWD participant sheet and then you go for register. Okay, so you will get the certificate from that course as well. okay, so we collaborate with that lot of student today for that only. Just you can go for a, if you collaborate with the CAD training means just click the CAD training. That's it. Last part, training providers. Yes, welcome. Okay, somebody asking, I am not registered, ma'am. Okay, so those are not registered, we cannot do because the course is ended today, no, we cannot increase the seats as well. Okay, better to join for the next courses, you will get that certificate, no? Otherwise, I will inform you in the group. So even some of the students request as for upcoming, today's they not able to join. So we plan for one more session with the another different people. So I will inform you in that group, you can join. You will be able to join. Okay, no worry. So, okay, thank you so much, everybody. Let me wind up the session. So, all the best for your career. Okay, this is a small as well as a simple language. Anybody can easily to learn. So, keep practicing and then upgrade your knowledge. Okay, thank you so much. And then once again, I thank you on and all present today. Okay, so bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome.
Ma'am, please add my number. I mean the WhatsApp.
Okay. You want to okay, wait. Can you
Maran.
please write down your name in that chat box? I will add. No worries.
Sir.
Yeah, just add the chat box. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, welcome. Later I will update you. Okay. Six, 4, 9, 7, 5, and 4. Okay, bye everybody. Take care. See you soon.